Tanta crayfish, periwinkle one day. You be trouble children. You know sabi buku, but you sabi wahala. Now which kind children I be? Una no dey preach love at all. Tanta crayfish, periwinkle one day. If a family joy, forget me kwasa. Tanta crayfish, periwinkle one day. If a family joy, forget me kwasa.
No, what's that? What's that? Come on, sis. So both of you decided say una go give me blood pressure. I go use this thing kill una. What did they say to na? What did they say to na? They laugh.
I'm not supposed to speak English. Speak another thing now. God, I sound you. Why you got the kill our Igbo grammatical? Mommy, you are killing the Igbo metaphors. Then blood pressure. No be blood pressure. Nah, blood pleasure. Hey! Chineke! Very easy now. You are mommy na 10 and 10 pence. It's your babo. 2 itiboribus.
Itiboribus.
High blood pressure. You they call pressure. This one they call pressure.
Yeah, mommy itiboribus. No. Come again. Hey, my Ralph, leave me. I'll be your school children.
Let me use you and test.
No.
This each your one. My love, have you discussed with them? Did they agree?
Whether they ugly or they not ugly, me I don't agree for their sake.
You don't agree? Now only you go agree.
My aunt be say I don't make the relationship official.
You don't make it in official.
Our relationship.
My dear, the word is official. Official. Say official.
Which one be official? As long as there is offi no inside offi. Now English you want to teach me?
My dear, it is not English. It is English. English.
You don't make me the best for this relationship. Na English I can't learn. I be na rough with the rough.
Na rough. Na rough with the rough. As you talk, I'm not so it be. What thing concern me for the relationship? Have you say na?
You dey rough me.
No verse. I know they laugh. No they rough you.
Okay.
I know they rough you only. And see this is our relationship. I go do fast. Make them official like you said. Make we settle. Make we do fast. Marry. So we go rest. So you have to go home now and try to convince those your children. I don't want issues. Let them do this thing. Remove their eyes from my this thing.
Make I come they go house.
Hey, my love.
My love. You dey lush well. We go wait till we marry. Till we gonna do some.
We go wait till we marry.
We go marry first.
What is wrong with you? This is your English. I go know you now. Your blood go know. You dey craze?
Yeah, these children. Ntanta. Periwinkle. Periwinkle. Ntanta crayfish. Shimo. Hey, Anwa. Periwinkle.
Mommy.
Biano, come, my fine children. Umaka Jesus, Bia.
We dey here.
Come this side. Oh.
We dey
Come. My fine children. Come this way. Come.
So we dey shout our name like this. One flog us.
Every day no be for flogging now. I want more to stay like this with love and kindness.
Yeah? You just say na you be this.
Na me.
You know they do like this since our papa died now.
I don't born again.
Good.
The year thing I want to make we talk about. A very, very sweet talk. I want me to listen very, very well.
Udimo, Udi nkemo, Udi asa nkemo. When I think of you, my heart to do me jiggy like railway. Hey! When I see you, my heart to do me mia, 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 like it don't love. Chai! Love is sweet, oh. Love is sweet, oh. You see this life, eh? God will never allow those daughters of Ekeneme and Duduma to spoil my love. To wear my janagari, they will never do it. God will not allow them. This our love is forever and ever, whether they like it or not. Udima, Udinkemo, when I think of you, my heart to do me jiggy, jiggy, jiggy like it railway. When I see you, my heart to do me mia, 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 like it don't look. Oh, they no shoe, okay. See shoe. I also call this one a takalami. Yoruba call it a bata.
Lie! No go ever happen.
What's happen? What's not go happen?
So, mommy, you know see any other man when you go mad? Now that wicked man.
What do you do? What do you make him wicked man? What do you do?
Mommy, what do he do? He do plenty things. Okay, the other day when me and they come back from school, now
Come on, will you both come on, stand up there? Stand up there before I use this cane and finish you.
That don't leave on my leg. Not do anything now.
Oh,
Not do anything now.
You didn't do anything? What do you mean by you didn't do anything?
No be smart, arithmetic go fail for class. Why you gonna punish us for outside of the failure?
Listen, my friend, shut up there. I am your teacher. I punish you anywhere I choose. Is that clear? Nonsense.
Better leave us, make we go. Better leave us, so me I don't understand you again.
Hey, you. Are you insulting me? Are you insulting me?
I can't insult you.
Eh? You what? What is that?
I said I can't insult you.
You can't. What is that? What is that you just said now?
English na.
He said it's English. Why are you laughing? What is funny?
The teacher, you are the funny. You are a teacher and you are teaching us. And you don't know what cousin is meaning.
What is cousin? Are you alright if I use this cane on you now? Listen, both of you. I am going to free you here now on one condition.
What is the condition?
You are going to recite some superlative words right here.
Here! Supernative. I want that.
I say supernative. Super again? Native. From where to where? Wow. Are you alright?
It not be you talk, no, you don't
have to say super. Come on, shut up. I said superlative. What did I say?
Superlative. No be super, I said superlative.
Superlative. I will use this thing now, frog your mouth. Superlative. Look at your mouth. Can you hear yourself? I said superlative. Repeat.
Superlative.
Good. Superlative words. Example. Big, bigger, biggest.
Hi. Very nice. This mountain. This mountain. They will start. Just rush and go. Come.
Oh, you know it. Okay. Big.
Bigger, biggest.
Tall.
Taller, tallest.
Fat.
Fatter, fattest.
Good.
Gooder, goodest.
Bad.
Badamba.
What?
Water.
Stop.
Stopper.
I said enough.
Enough.
Chineke.
Neke.
Oh my God.
Goddess.
Your neighbor.
Goddess.
Your neighbor. Ndala.
Now you make we no want make you marry am.
So now because of this thing now they tell me I no go marry Ndajo.
You no go marry that man, no. You no go marry am.
Why?
He talk say if you come school again say you go show us pepper, you no go marry am.
But I love Ndajo. I love him and I want to marry him.
You no go fit. You no fit abeg. No talk nothing against self.
So now they challenge my marriage. So I no go marry him.
Yes, you no go marry am.
Okay, Nabia, I dey come.
Now that wicked man, now she say she no go happen. You no go happen, abeg. Ready? No, run.
Tanta crayfish, very winkle one day. You be trouble children. You know sabi buku, but you sabi wahala. Now which kind children I be?
Early morning now, we'll be running around, looking for what to teach them. Get something. What's this book? So this is the book 2. Basic Health and Physical Education. Who's the author, Seth? The major aim of writing this book: basic science and technology, mathematics expert, English expert. Textbook 6. That not my phone. My phone. My phone. Yes, madam. No. Even if you call the principal, yes, you need to pay. You have to pay first. Yes, without school fees, she can't write the exam. No. Yes, if you don't pay, she will not write the exam. I have to. No, you can shed tears for all I care. You don't use tears to pay for education. You pay with cash. The school doesn't recognize tears, madam. I'm just telling you now. You better pay. If it is borrow. She can't write the exam without school fees. I've told you. Yes, that is it. That's final. If you like, be emotional. What nonsense? You don't even know that it's from the school fees that we collect our own salary. Or you think the school is running charity? We are doing missionary. It's a missionary this thing. Please go and sit down. Think I'm joking with you. I came out with some textbooks here. Where's my textbook? Here's the book I dropped here. I walked like this. I was having some books. I dropped it. Then my phone rang. What's going on here? Where's the textbook I brought to this place? My...
Guafun.
What is guafun? What is guafun? What is guafun? If you come on, greet well. Say guafun.
Good afternoon.
Ntontam Periwinkle. Where are you people coming from?
We're coming from our house.
What nonsense is that? What did you just say now?
Our house now.
Repeat that nonsense you just said. What did you say?
I said we're coming from our house.
Kill you there. That who is kill you there. Madam, will you speak correct English also? Who is coming from our house?
That teacher Joe. If we are not coming from our house, is it your house that is coming?
Who is coming? Can you, if you smile now, I will slap you. Just smile now, let me slap you. Can you imagine? Let me correct both of you because you have coconut head. I is for one person. We for two people. Meaning that I is singular and we plural. Now that you both, you are two. You say we are. That is for two people.
So that teacher do. No. We is don't turn to plural.
Who is this girl?
Because now you tell us say if we use plural, we go back and up with singular.
Now your ancestor you go confuse. You will confuse your ancestor, not me. What is wrong with you? You will back singular up with plural. What type of concussion is that? Meanwhile, what are you both doing here? So you get out from here.
We both of us come to warn you. So that you don't go plan all this way they plan with my mama. We don't want to make you the plan with my mama again. Anything where you know say you don't plan, say now you are my mama. You no go walk, make you withdraw your hand. Bam.
Wait, just hold on. I want to understand something. You both walked into my compound to warn me to avoid your mother, as in the love I'm sharing with your mother. My love with your mother. You are warning me to stay away. Both of you.
Love, backwalk. Which kind love? See, any love you have with my mother, take it away. Don't love him again. Push and come up for one side, because if you love him again, me and my sister said we go show you Pepe. Make you not love my mother again. Don't love him again.
Wait.
Go find another girl, love.
Don't worry. What did you just say?
We go show you Pepe.
Wait, you
We
be
go
like,
drag you.
you be like Pepe already. Oh, you want to drag me?
Yes.
Don't worry. Let me bring the pepper. Shebi, you want to show me pepper? And let me bring the can to romance you. Don't worry, you see me now.
Daddy, run, oh. Run, oh. You leave your phone. Where you dey go? Where you dey go?
Where are they?
You be trouble children.
Stupid girls. No, you would have waited for me to come out and show me the pepper. Come and wait now. Want to come and warn me to leave your mother in this village?
Moses Ekeneme. That place where you dey, you no go die better. Because if not for you, I no go have this Adam and Eve children. In fact, my papa for there where you are there, no go allow you make a rest in peace for making me bring these children to this life. When no one make I marry the man where I love. My mates, they do things where we say they marry the people where they love. You reach my own turn, my children say I no go marry them. You no go work for them. I must marry the man where I love, and I must marry him.
Jesus.
Adam and Eve, who make queens. Afuru we get bound. Afuru kill you there. Make queens.
Why you can't dey baptize my name like that? I know, I wonder. Mommy, now waiting now.
Now waiting be waiting. Now waiting be. Make queens.
Anyway, if we now make queens, now I'm saying that you be Mama queens. Madam queens. We cousin too.
You don't insult your mama.
Now you call us my queens. Who born you be our mama? Now you born us. Now you be our mama.
That one concern una. Because I want to just tell you and say Ndajo na the man where I rough and I go marry him.
Instead, where person go just focus for his small business when they do small business where they give him small money. You want to leave him for Adam will go stay in your white. Imagine. One day now that shop go spoil because you know they dey there to attend to customer.
Now your shop, how you take concern you? I see. Whether you like him or not, I go marry Ndajo, and that's one I find out.
Oh yeah. Make it marry na, concern me.
You say waiting. Una say waiting.
Where is my textbook? What type of 111 is this one? Huh? Keep this textbook here. Out of my pen. Hey! Who hid this thing here? Hey! Have you seen? Have you seen it now? Somebody wants to tamper with my salary. Somebody is planning to tamper with my salary. But there is no weapon fashioned against my salary that will prosper. It's not possible. Who did this nonsense now? These girls. There is nobody who will have the guts to try this nonsense if it's not these two urchins. But I will deal with both of you. Me and you in this village, you will hear from me. Mapiabunu with totally. You will know. I think I'm joking. You will see. Rubbish. Boy.
You be trouble children.
Yeah, what? So after this advice where we give you, yeah, you still want to do strong head, go meet that wicked man.
No, they only go meet the wicked man. They go discuss my marriage plan.
Marriage? So mommy, you want marry that wicked man with the flowers for school?
Whether you like him or you wed him, I go marry him.
Don't worry. They go. Which one be they go? Oh yeah, they go. They go. We wish you happy marriage life.
Chineke. I'm gonna be my children. No. Welcome, come. You see, when I do like this now, when I go to make una mommy they happy. See, I could cook very, very sweet food. Make una go inside the go chop. Make I go meet my rough, the rough of my rice. Chineke. Hey.
But now sing crime. They be joy killers.
Instead of they go help me for my shop. If I tell them make they help me for my business, make I do other things, they go do like a rat. They chop everything within my shop. I'm not going even want to make I marry Ndajo. Imagine say I marry Ndajo now. The business go the boom. You go be Uduma and Ndajo Enterprises. I like it the name of the business. Hey! But these children, they're giving me heart attack. Which kind of problem be this? This is my little husband. Just leave this. This is for me. It is an Ikeguru situation now. It is an Ikeguru situation. Who be that? Hey! Nepalo! Nepalo, my friend! I'm back! Sit down now. Hey, Sky Blend. Baby, they look so fine, no. Thank you. Sit to do well for you.
I swear.
You're not even looking back.
Thank you. Thank you, no thank you. You are not telling me make you enter city, no green.
I'm like that.
Have fun. I came in yesterday. Our motor got spoiled on the road.
Hey, baby.
I was so tired. Yes, I couldn't even eat, sir. So not until this morning, I said, I must come and see. I must come and see my baby, my bestie, my bestie.
I miss you.
I miss you
Very well, oh.
sure. I live in Daju.
But my problem now, my children, they give me problem.
Your children. Your children go give you problem.
Hi. Moses Ekeneme giving me problem by leaving these children with me. He can't go meet in access stores.
Yeah. I can feel your pain, Why you? I don't come back.
You don't come back.
I don't sure. They're not going to worry you again.
Come back for me.
Zukwani,
they
coming down. You know, so I must carry something called my best friend, my best friend. You get one earring there, I buy for you. If you not come, hey, even that Joe go leave you. He go leave you because he go fear.
You not go leave me. You not go leave me.
He go feel say you dey too expensive.
You not go leave me. You be like saying you go back to city.
So you don't want the earring again?
Give me the earring.
It's expensive.
Give me the earring.
Wait.
See money.
Business woman.
Today na today. Today na today. But today I go introduce Ndajo to my children. I go introduce them whether they like him or whether say Ndajo go be my husband to be. If they like him, make them like him. If they tell me they don't like him, that's their business. Whether they like him or not, my choice. Whether they like him or not, my choice. Now my choice, oh, now my choice, oh, now my choice. Anyhow it be, yo, now my choice. Ndajo, now my choice. Now my choice, oh, now my choice, oh, now my choice. Chai, Ndajo, I rough you. Now today I go introduce them to Ndajo as my husband to be. Tarenwa, Ntanta crayfish, periwinkle. I bet these children no day for house. Anywhere where they go come back and come meet me.
Be like saying no come out. They say don't come out for see and when they come. Bye. That's it, Ado. Bye.
Who is there?
Ntanta crayfish, periwinkle one day. You be trouble children.
Good afternoon.
Here. What are you both doing here?
Every time your body could be pain you. Calm down. Our mama send us so we could give you this drink. Take it now.
Your mama say make you give me a drink.
And she said she will come visit am now. So make you drink am before you come. Say I love this for inside. I say before you come, I should come make you carry the empty container. Make you sure say you drink am.
Are you sure? Are you very, very sure?
If you're not sure, how waka come here? Why?
My love. Hey, Adam Nervy. Meanwhile, see, let me drink it here. I will have to drink it so that you people will take the news to her. Tell her that I did not even allow the gift to land the bag. I consumed everything. Okay. You know? Why is the thing open now?
Now she open am. She open and test her to say make she put kiss of love.
So she put kiss.
Kiss of
love. Oh, that's okay. That's very okay. The thing is sweet. It's sweet. See, let me tell both of you something. You see the way I'm loving your mother now? Is it not good? Is there anything bad in it? See, there is no man in this community who can love your mother the way I love her. Maybe your father is dead. Who will be the father figure in your family? Is it not me? Your father is dead and gone. The remaining food in the pot now, you hear clean for a pot, no, it's for me. Any other small thing remaining there is for me. So no woman in there. Do you get? Woman can in there. So go and tell her that I'm coming. Tell her that I love her too.
Okay.
I'm coming. Don't be angry when somebody is loving your mother.
Enjoy.
Tell her I love her too. Oh.
Rest in peace.
Mama. Ụmụaka na-ede nne ya. Ngwanụ o. Ụmụaka na-ede nne ya. Oh, come. I'll just go and get one loaf of bread and wash it down. Bim. Oh, Wanyama. When I think of you, my heart will do me jiggy like a railway. When I see you, my heart will do me mia like a Dunlop. When I think of you, my heart will do me jiggy like a railway. When I see you, my heart will do me mia like a Dunlop. Now so. See, yeah, son. What's this? Okay, exotic.
One teacher, lele, Dejo, one teacher, lele, Dejo, one teacher. Give me your love, baby.
Me and Ndajo plan something. Why you can't they come late? Why you never come? Even call me, tell me say you go come late. Eh? If you know, I know that this one no sweet me at all. I can't they wait for him. What thing we plan now, you just want spoil them.
What's happening? This one why your face is like this.
Not been that, Joe. We plan something. I don't wait for him. See, he never still come.
Why now?
If you ask me, who I go ask?
This one loud though. I'll go do this one now.
Eh?
Oh, you dear. You sure say this Ndajo need a play ojoro for your head?
How you mean by that one?
I know men. You know, say na from township, I take enter village. I be city girl. So I know as then they take play all their ojoro when they want woman, they go fit do anything. See, you be my friend. Eh? These people, I know how they can be. You sure say Ndajo really want you.
Riff matter. Ndajo rough me well. Ndajo, he get my heart. Yes, na.
And you sure say Ndajo get your own heart. And a question now.
Ndajo rough me very, very well.
See, my friend, never you carry all your heart give man. Then go pieces am for you. It says Ndajo dey na. Eh? Make I give you that game where they play for city. As Ndajo dey. If you want get that, no carry your heart, give am. Carry your chest. So that if you do anyhow, it could just done like this. It says you take done. That's so you dey be. So give them 50. Keep 50 as backup. In case if anything won't happen, they will call and say, because if anything won't solve for city, if you want solve, you could just not like this, you go fall off. Eh?
Chimo.
Yes, now so you dey be.
What do I go can do now? Let me say my children, they go laugh for me.
Leave children, man. Then just waiting they know about love. Now me and you will be adults. So as I tell you now, reason with me. Eh? So where you go figure look for them now?
Pepe, you know what thing will happen, eh? You go follow me go Ndajo house. Make I go find out why you no gree come. You go follow me go.
See, you get one important call. Why they wait for? I go follow you. But if you reach for road, if that call come, I go leave you go.
That will not be problem now. That's a one no be problem. You go follow me, they go Ndajo house. Make we go find that waiting be the problem. Yeah, make we they go.
What of your children?
Those ones. Me, I know where they do. You not even consign me. My home is make they no go for my shop. Come up with they go. Make I go find out why in Ndajo no come as a plan.
One teacher lele, Dejo one teacher lele, Dejo one teacher. Give me your love, baby ma. Dejo one teacher. Yetana mo love, ge kambolo na baziemo. Moke na so lele. Yetana mo love, ge kambolo na baziemo. Moke na so.
Ndajo. Ndajo. It's like he's sick. Hey. Ndajo, so now here you did. They sleep. And they're waiting for you for my house. Eh?
Are you sure you're fine?
Can foolishness be this one?
Hey.
Are you okay?
Which one be Kai? What do be Kai?
My dear, after I drink this juice where you sent for me.
Who gave me? Who gave it to you?
As I drink it, I'm not going to feel myself again.
When?
You Tonto and the Riwinko bring this juice, say you give them made and give me, make I drink. So I said that with love.
Hey!
Make I drink.
I no send you any drink. Oh, I no send you any drink. Oh! I no send them anything.
You don't send them anything? How? Hey, I did here. I don't prepare already to come see you. Listen, I can't say Tonto and Riwinko, they come from this side. Now they can't say.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Oh, I'm not here. What are you both doing here?
Every time your body could pay you. Calm down. Our mama sent us so we could give you this drink. Take it now.
Your mama say make you give me a drink.
And she said she will come visit am now. So may you drink am before you come. Say I love the inside. I say before you come, I should come make you carry the empty container. Make sure say you drink am.
Are you sure? Are you very, very sure?
If you're not sure, how waka come here? Why?
My love. My love. Hey, Adam Nervy. Meanwhile, see, let me drink it here. I'll have to drink it so that you people will take the news to her. Tell her that I did not even allow the gift to land the bag. I consumed everything. Okay. You know? Why is the thing open now?
Now she open am. She open and test her to say make she put kiss of love.
So she put kiss.
Kiss of love.
Oh, that's okay. That's very okay. The thing is sweet. It's sweet. See, let me tell both of you something. You see the way I'm loving your mother now? Is it not good? Is there anything bad in it? See, there is no man in this community who can love your mother the way I love her. Maybe your father is dead. Who will be the father figure in your family? Is it not me? Your father is dead and gone. The remaining food in the pot now, you hear clean for a pot, no, it's for me. Any other small thing remaining there is for me. So no woman is in there. Do you get? Woman can aid in there. So go and tell her that I'm coming. Tell her that I love her too.
Okay.
I'm coming. Don't be angry when somebody is loving your mother.
Enjoy.
Tell her I love her too. Oh.
Rest in peace.
Mama. Ụmụaka na-ede nne ya. Ngwanụ o. Ụmụaka na-ede nne ya. Oh, come. I'll just go and get one loaf of bread and wash it down. Bim. Oh, Wanyama. When I think of you, my heart is do me jiggy like a railway. When I see you, my heart is do me mia, like I don't look. When I think of you, my heart is do me jiggy like a railway. When I see you, my heart is do me mia, like I don't look. Now so. See, yeah, son, what's this? Exotic. Hey! I saw it happen.
I said it. Which one you doing? Which children were you born?
So maybe you send them.
I'm not sending anybody. I'm not sending anybody. These people go give me heart attack.
These children don't drug me. They don't drug me. No wonder this thing too just the sweet anyhow. Sugar full am. Then drug me.
Now, waiting will happen. We say make we prepare. Make we go my house because the things where I prepare for you, you know go spoil. The less make we dey go.
Sometimes pre-winkle.
The less make we dey go no. Oh.
These children drug me. Hey, baby, come.
Me? Can't you slug it?
Baby, come.
Okay.
You can come home here. Tired.
Pepe.
One teacher, danger. One teacher, danger.
You call this go do now. Throw me inside for them now. Yeah. Go bring Boboko. This food sweet though. You don't know Mama. Hey! Mama be better cook. Go bring shop.
Tanta crayfish, periwinkle one day. You be trouble children. You know sabi buku, but you sabi wahala. Now which kind children I be? Una no they preach love at all. Tanta crayfish, periwinkle one day. If a family joy, forget back was tanta crayfish, periwinkle one day.
Come, you did. Come. So if anybody tell you say me, as I did, say I no love you, say I go do you ojoro.
You know, say we know they too they know waiting there for person mind. Finish.
Meaning you don't trust me now. You don't trust me.
If I not trust you, I'm gonna follow your panda.
My baby.
I trust you.
My baby. See, I have decided to love you forever.
Chai.
In fact, my love for you will stand the test of time.
Hey, super.
We will love ourselves to the extent that we are going to the grave together. Both of us. We dey go grave together the same day.
Now me and you follow come this life. Now only you follow come.
And only me follow come, but I don't decide say me and you they go together. I mean, you don't want to go with me.
Not because I love you.
You love me, so you will go with me. Then go bury us the same day. People go cry for us the same day. My baby. See, I love my Udi, I no go lie. Now inside her, I go live and die. We quarrel, we settle, na so you be you. Na so you be you, na so you be you.
I love my Joe, I no go lie. Now inside you, I go live and die. We beat me, you pet me, I go forever.
Na so you be you,
Na so you be.
I love my Udi, I no go lie you. Na inside her, I go live and die. We quarrel, we fight you, na so you be you. Na so you be you, na so you be. Love my teacher.
One teacher, lele. Dejo, one teacher. One teacher, lele. Dejo, one teacher.
Pam pam. Dajo.
This one, I see him come and surprise him. Eh? And he's not around. Let him just come back later.
One teacher don't fall in love with you, deep, Mabalama. Your love,
Hey, baby mo.
Finally, Abby.
Finally.
one teacher don't fall in love.
Finally.
Oh yeah. Make you sit down.
Finally.
Finally, oh.
You see?
Finally, oh. See.
The lover boy teacher. Now in his love's house.
See, I prepare so many things for you. So just relax.
Go bring her.
Relax, make I serve you like a king.
Oh!
You be the king in my heart.
Gabute.
They come.
Go bring it. Today na chopping scene international day. Chopping scene. Yankri day. I dey with you, baby. You dey
They come. Oh.
Is it okay? Apami.
Now cold water.
Oh, water.
Make you take cool your temper.
Okay.
Make I go bring the other things where I prepare for you, eh? I
They
dey
say
come.
if I start with Pami, oh,
I dey come.
I want the open belly.
Love us so well, let me see you not even tonto or very well. Can't stop this love. Don't think say she be boo. She know what she did.
This one na the food. No open am o. I dey come. Relax. Na me go use my hand of love take feed you.
Okay.
I dey come. No open am
No
yet.
wahala. I dey with you. My love. What is it?
The packet of juice where I keep for this occasion. I no come see am inside. I be fly.
Juice?
Eh,
How is it?
juice no.
The big juice.
Eh.
Sure say no be the one where your guests carry come my house where I drink will make me sleep.
These girls don't kill me. Why these girls they do me like this?
See baby, see what thing go happen. Come and sit down. Shebi na me still drink the juice. I took it now. Whether you are the one that gave it to me or them, it's the same thing. Maybe the plans is for me to drink it.
Tonto na peri.
Come and sit down, don't worry. Come, it's okay. Yeah, oh.
I beg you, make you no vex, eh?
No problem.
No vex,
Yeah,
oh.
the same thing.
No vex, oh. I prepare this food with so much love.
Chai. I'll eat it with plenty love. My baby. Maybe not the wrong plate. Go look for the main plate.
No, I keep meat inside for you. I prepare ngongo inside.
Maybe not the check the cooler with another one there.
And the only cooler way I get it for this house. These girls don't kill me. What can I do these girls? Why these girls don't want my happiness? Which kind of problem with this?
So they don't chop the meat. They don't chop the meat, you know. Maybe go bring more water. The one where we don't show off. Bring more water.
Hi.
I'll see what will happen, my love. You see, whether food or no food, you know I will love you forever. Food is not even the major problem where I did.
I love you.
As long as you will love me from now to forevermore, I'm okay. It's not all about food.
I love you.
Now you be my main food. The major food for this life and you.
So you say make I go bring me water?
Fulham. Fulham. I will be okay.
One teacher, give me your love, baby ma.
You know Ukamba. About illiterate. You know Trevi. About illiterate. Very no sondo. Ababolodo. Another Ababu illiterate. Can't even spell your name well. Hey! Hey!
My love.
Stephen. Stephen. Hey, how are you?
I'm fine.
When did you return from the city?
I came back yesterday evening.
But
I was here. You were not around.
Oh, you came. I wasn't around in the evening. Oh, yeah. I went for a very important staff meeting. How are you now? How's your journey? Hey, Asa.
I've missed you so much.
I miss you too, my love.
Let's go inside.
You said?
Let's go inside.
Sorry?
I said let's go inside.
Let's go inside. Nah.
Let's go inside.
Ha! Oh, yeah, go. I'm coming.
Hey, you're coming.
Ha! No more to knock. All the way from city, get Charako. I'm coming, eh? Man, so.
Very good. After this punishment, you no go ever play with my love again. You go do
No.
Welcome, stand up and do our jump to complete your punishment.
My mom is pursuing me.
Stand up. Wait. Before you stand up, you go use your mouth to do agreement. Say you no go disturb my love again. So help me God.
Amen.
So help me God.
Amen.
Repeat it waiting I talk. So help me God.
So help me God.
Stand up.
Stand up.
Is it? Vamos from here. Vamos from here. Are you looking at me like that?
Hey, stay. My love. Thank you so much. Thank you for coming. I enjoyed everything. See, it's like that place in the city. Nobody's touching this thing. See the way everything is still like Travgeta. Sharp.
So when are we seeing again?
About you coming again, you need to call me anytime you want to come to this place. Always call me. You hear me? You know, this my work is always taking me to the city. And you might come here like you did yesterday and I will not be around. So always make sure you call me before you come, okay?
Okay, I understand. But if you just see make you just die around this period of time that will be in the village. So we can spend quality time together.
My dear, I like it too. I would like it too. I want us to spend quality time too. It's okay. But you have your phone, Abby? Always call me. Always call me.
Okay. You say I don't miss you very well.
I miss you too.
I don't miss you.
I miss you too. If it's my making, I would have said, let me transfer you back to this village. I'll just sign. They will bring you back. So we'll just be together and be enjoying.
You know, the way you are talking, I just feel like resigning my work.
You say?
And then moving back to this village.
You say what?
To be with you.
Resigning what? No, don't go that side though. Don't go. See, you have to start going now. Don't go that resigning side. Come to stay here. You have to start going. You know, I want to go for a staff meeting. You know, I'm their secretary, so I need to go back there.
I will still make you escort me, but you know, I understand.
I know they escort you. I know they escort you.
Take care.
Bye-bye.
I will call you.
Call me, you have phone, oh. Don't come here without calling me, oh. I might not be around, oh. Did you hear me? Onyala, want to resign your work and come here and come and stay. Can you maybe hear me here?
One teacher, lele, dejo one teacher. One teacher, lele.
Who am I seeing? Steph Sugar. Hey! Pina Steffi. Steffi. How are you?
I'm fine.
When did you come back?
I came back yesterday evening.
Yesterday.
You are still in this village?
My dear, what to do?
Yeah.
I love this village now. So I begged them, they had to return me.
Yeah.
What to do? You know, easy. The work is really, really stressful. You see me now, I don't black finish. Sitting here
but
like
you're still looking good though. But I understand.
Steph, you don't mind me. So, where are you going or where are you coming from? Which one?
I went to see my longtime friend, Teacher Joseph.
Joseph?
I'm sure everybody in this village knows him.
Ndaju?
Yes?
You know Ndaju?
He's my village boyfriend.
Steffi!
You know, whenever I come to the village, I get to meet him, you know,
your body. Steph. Now you big. So you know Ndaju? Your own better. No wonder. Ayana, let me get good.
Okay, I'm still around, so we'll see. Yeah.
Okay.
I have 1 month to spend there, so we'll still be seeing around.
With Ndaju?
Me and you will be seeing around.
It's okay.
Ayana, take care.
Now take care of yourself, Steph, with Ndaju. Hey, so it's not only me that wants Ndaju. It's not possible now. Hey! See where I won't carry last. It's not possible, Mbano. It's not possible.
What type of temptation is this? What type of devil wants to spoil my joy like this? Now that I want to just add small maggi in this beautiful soup that I'm cooking, the devil now wants to destroy everything. Why did she return to this village now? Now that I want to just enjoy myself small, she returned for no reason. Can you just imagine? Hi! I'm just struggling, trying to defeat the two devils that are in Yudi's house. Now she just from nowhere back at the net now, just want to scatter the net for me. What type of thing is this one now? That teacher Joe, you need to work fast too. Act fast, act very, very fast. Before the food you have in your mouth will just turn to bone in your throat and scatter something. I have to act very fast.
One teacher, lele, dejo one teacher, lele.
Azikiwe worked in the Treasury Department in Lagos from 1921 to 1925 before he traveled to the United States with the assistance of public spirited. See what I will do. See this Steph. I need to start dodging Steph. Yes, I will continue to dodge her. I will continue to dodge Steph until she goes back to the city. Because if I leave this girl, she will just spoil something for me. Yes. But Steph has upgraded though. See everywhere. Shape everywhere, balance, complete. Chai! Ọ dịkwa egwu. Onye na-akpọ? Hey! I see if I know. Hello? Hello? Oh, Stephen Wam. I'm fine, oh, and you? You are not doing well. Why? What is it? Me? How? You are missing me. My baby, I miss you too. I miss you so much. You say what? You have to hold on only. Nah. Want to come and see me? My dear, nothing. I'm fine. See, Steph, I'm not around now. I'm not around. I went to the city. I went to the city to see my friend. I will not be coming back till Monday. Let's say Monday. I'll be back by Monday. I'll even be going to school from there. I'll be there till Monday. My dear, I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. It was an emergency. I'm terribly sorry. It was an emergency. Just calm down. I will come back. Once I come, you will see me. We will see and we'll stay together. No, I will not delay. Instead, I might even come back before Monday. But let's say Monday, from now till Monday. Thank you. Thank you, my love. Mpama. You want to come and spoil something for me? Can you imagine? Nah. I said I love you too. Can I come? Can you come? Immediately. Heat, you want to clean now? Your heat period every minute. Can you come? No. How was I?
Ntanta crayfish, periwinkle one day. You be trouble children. You know sabi book, but you sabi wahala. Now which kind children I be? Una no dey preach love at all. Ntanta crayfish, periwinkle one day. If a family joy, forget me was Ntanta crayfish, periwinkle one day. If a family joy.
Very. My heart dey pain me. Like a wife, my heart dey vex, dey boil like this. Why? What's up? No be that stupid that teacher Joe. No be am. I don't understand this kind of rubbish. I don't understand. Wetin me I want to talk be say, I no go dey alive. See two of them marry because he no go ever be my stepping father. Why? Over a dead body, Abi. Now you talk as small. Loud down. Over our dead body. No go walk. Now only teacher him be you. Why you scared finish us? What if he come become our papa? So nah, Egbe. I don't even know what mommy see for that man body. He shouldn't even dey consider us. Consider. That one also would die alive. You know go walk. You know so would they exist. You know no nah. Love don't cover our eyes. Should be the say love is blind. Which kind of love? Now what did I talk now? But see what I will tell you. We no go green. Yeah. We no go green. We no go green. No go scatter their plan. We'll scatter even if they like, make them travel, go far. Maybe this is the wise.
Ntonto. Periwinkle. How are you guys now?
I'm fine.
Oh.
When you can't come back?
Some days ago, I came to spend my leave in the village.
Until now, which leave they talk about? Nah, mango. Or papa.
No, now. I'm not talking about those leaves. I am talking about my work holidays. You know, when you work for the government, they give you some time to go and rest.
Okay, happy leave.
So what class are you guys in now?
We know they go school.
But why?
Why be say, as that with Joe, say na Kenny want use kill us for this life. We say make go come and leave the school for and make it chop am. Chop school, chop cane, chop everything where you like. No concern us. We don't do again.
So what is your mother saying about it?
Nothing, nothing she want talk. When they don't cover her eyes, cover her mouth, what she need say she go talk. They do their love anxieties together. And he want marry her. So how you go talk when love don't cover her eyes? Love is blind.
Really?
Yes, so. But that one not be case, so. That one not be any case. Because if you say that one a case, we for don't tie and sis, no one tackle and sis now. So the one will be case now be what the bread where you bring for us.
The bread I brought has finished. But I'll give you guys some money. So you get some for yourselves.
Thank you.
You be trouble children. You know sabi book, but you sabi wahala. Now which kind children una be? Una no dey preach love at all. Ntanta crayfish, periwinkle one day. If a family joy, forget back was ntanta crayfish.
The two musketeers. This one na the run. I'm very sure you have committed one evil. Daughters of Ekwensu. Look at them.
You too. Pepper soup. Daughter of Ekwensu, mommy water, witches and wizards. That is what you are.
What did you just call me? Pepe Gini.
You too.
Hey, Pepe too, I have suffered. So, you don't have respect again.
See, it be like say you don't know so we dey best for you sis. No allow us carry our anger enter you. No enter you. She no know now. She no know. So be na you dey support my mama. Make she carry on with the plan where she get with that stupid teacher. Where she carry on now. Evil friend. They say, show me your friend, I will show you who you are. See the kind of friend where my mama they keep now. See ya. I don't see you now. I don't tell you who you be. You be devil. Rubbish now. Make we enter.
Look at these little cockroaches. See, if I beat both of you, if I handle both of you, your mama will know that I'm the one that beat you.
Yeah, come on, handle us. Oh yeah, now. Come on, no, handle us. Handle us. Come now. Come now. No allow me to target your head. Handle us. Bring it on now. No, come fight. Come fight. Bring it on. Come now. Come. You fight. No, come. Leave him. Leave him. Leave him. Make you fresh.
Don't worry. I'm coming to your house. I will deal with you both. I will deal with you. I will. No, don't worry now. I'm coming to your house. Look at them. Ancestors. See.
Ntanta crayfish, periwinkle one day. If a family joy,
hey!
Ntanta crayfish.
I can't take this. I can't take this rubbish.
Ntanta crayfish, periwinkle one day. If a family joy, Ntanta crayfish, periwinkle one day.
If you are the only girl on heat, she's calling me, following me back to back. Hey! Hey!
Mommy! What happened?
You deny you?
Why you dey run like that? Why you dey run like that? Huh?
Are you?
Now my ghost.
Are you alone?
Na only me come.
Only you?
Yeah.
Hey. Thank God.
Why you dey run like that?
My dear?
What happened?
Are you alone?
Na me coming here alone.
Hey, nobody follow you.
What happened?
My dear, if you see what happened today, hey, I flogged some of my students. Hey, now so they rush go call their elder brothers. Like 8 boys. And so they follow me up. This one from here. I just the see blow.
Them they mad?
Left and right. Up and down.
Eh?
Hey, Obinigwe. Anyway, I don't go hotel vigilante because I try to fight them. Because they are plenty, I could not.
Them go pay for their client.
Well, now. Then go pay, nothing will stop it. Hey, my dear, this one you came to see me unannounced. Oh, there is no problem.
I know they okay. You get to waiting and want to discuss with you.
Anything be that. See what will happen. Let's go inside. We can't discuss here. You know these boys now, as I fight them, they feel vigilante feel beat them now. They will decide to come and try to beat me. Do you get? So let's go inside. Please, I don't want these people to run into this place. You know, when vigilante hits them now, next thing they will want to hit back.
Tanta crayfish, periwinkle one day. You be trouble children. You know sabi buku, but you sabi wahala. Now which kind children I be? Una no dey preach love at all. Tanta crayfish, periwinkle one day. If a family joy, forget back was tanta crayfish, periwinkle.
Come. Wait. Mama dey tell me say our mama hide somewhere with cane. They wait for us. Maybe she set trap for us. But she know the house. Tell me. Who tell you say she know the house? You know this woman. Winkle. My mind they gossip me. What's your mind they gossip me? You sure say mommy never go meet that useless man, that Joe? Not true. I'll go there. Wait for me.
Every day, Tanta and periwinkle. One teacher, lele. Dejo, one teacher, lele. Dejo, one teacher. Give me your love, baby. Dejo, one teacher.
You are happy now. You are happy the way I explain everything to you. You are so happy now.
Yeah, I believe you because I know say you know go break my heart.
Yes. Baby, see, let me reassure you. See, most of your friends are your enemy.
Yeah.
You don't know. You don't know as a woman, if your relationship is working out, if your relationship is standing tall, most of your friends will not be happy. That is how they use envy and everything to spoil it. But it's left for you to keep your eyes open, focus. Don't allow anything to shake your relationship. You don't know. Okay, you think all your friends are happy. They are happy that you are dating a freshman like this. Especially when you are dating someone as handsome as me. Can you imagine? They go to work where the worry.
Abi?
Working at all. Oh,
Abi?
They will not be happy.
Abi?
What do you mean by Abi? What is Abi?
But why that today you can't tell my friend say that they come in your house?
Your friend talk say, if they listen to them say. You are listening to them say. Your friend will get your problem. The feet don't tell him another thing now. She will go and say another. And they leave that thing, Joe.
Make I come, they go back before my children will chop everything within my job.
Yeah. But consider this thing I'm always telling you. You will like it. You will like it. You will like it. You You will like it, oh. Give it a chance, oh. You will like it. Once you taste it now, you don't let me rest again. I said you want to know now, but
can't stop this love. Oh. Don't think say she be boo. She know what she do.
Sorry. Oh, why?
What is this?
Hold
Hold on.
Hey.
What are you both doing at my door?
Now your dog. Mungo, my dog. I don't know.
You say?
I don't know.
You say na my door you there? No, you are in your father's shrine. You just entered your father's shrine. What are you both doing here?
Okay. We both say make we come look for our mama. So as we both come. We can't say make we check whether we dey for inside. Now make we both put our ear.
Okay, I want to understand you. You both came here, like you said, to check your mama. And you both lie down on my door.
No, not like that, no. Just say make we check.
You both see my door as a bed, you know. Abi? What are you doing here, my friend?
I just check my mama because some people carry police come house, say they find my mama. Now make we come.
For what?
Police.
Police? For what, one?
No, we don't know. Now make we come check. Maybe she tell you about the police.
Police? They carry gun? They carry gun? Hey, they don't carry.
They carry gun now? If they ask me that they carry gun, what is my answer? Okay.
Your mama came to this place, but she didn't tell me anything concerning police. Police is there on her house right now. Are you serious? Hey, so why me? Why you not come tell me? Why you not want to come tell me?
Because now yeah, our mama the only day come.
Hey, she not there here today. But meanwhile, they come. No, no, wait, they come. Let's go and tackle it. Let's go and sort it out. I'm coming. Hey, why me? Why me?
Tanta crayfish, periwinkle one day. You be trouble children. You know sabi buku, but you sabi wahala. Now which kind children I be? Una know they preach love at all. Tanta crayfish, periwinkle one day.
Girls, where are you running from? Who is chasing you?
Nobody's just us. They run from that teacher Joe's house.
He's not around. He traveled to the city and will only come back on Monday.
Lie! Who tell you? Who tell you say you know they're around? Who tell you?
That was what he told me when I called him.
Hey! Liar. They do they lie. They lie now, and today you know. Now from the house they come and we see him.
You don't mean it.
Nah. We go there go look for our mama. Tell us say our mama they come out na. So why you go tell you say he travel?
You don't mean it.
Why we no go mean am? We no mean am. You know how they talk say going is seeing is believing. Go there you go see am yourself. In the house. We even lock him inside because he won't follow us go out go meet our mama.
You know what? Thank you for the information. I'm going there now.
No, now I thank you for the information too. But find out something now. We give you information, no? You know
Sure. Just use this, buy biscuit and sweets.
Okay, thank you.
Tanta crayfish, periwinkle one day. If a family joy, forget back what's up.
Can somebody help me open that door, please? Who is around? Please come and help me open this door.
That teacher Joseph.
Steph, you want? Steph, my baby.
Today is not Monday.
I know that today is not Monday. See, I have left to the city before. I left to the city and I remembered my soup. I cooked soup, one plenty soup like this with fish and every other thing. So I cannot just let it spoil like that. I decided to come back and warm it. Maybe take it with me to the city.
Really?
John is really, you can come and check. Come inside and check.
That teacher Joseph. So you've been cheating on me?
You can come and check. Just come inside and check. Were you just passing?
No. I came to release you from the custody of the daughters of Uduma, the widow.
Oh, you are just the one that locked me there.
That teacher Joseph. So you've been cheating on me?
Cheating on you? How? Who is feeding you with such lies? Eh? How possible is it that I will leave tomato juice, something fresh like this, and be looking out for other women? What type of talk is that one? Is that possible?
But the girl said that they came here to look for their mother. And you told them that she just left your house.
Which is true. Yeah, that's true. Their mother came to this place, but she came for something else. Their mother came to this place. She just came to beg me. And that teacher, please help me reinstate my children, bring them back to school. I will pay. I gave her some amount. She said she will pay. But she went there and told her children. They got angry. They came to this place begging me not to allow them come back to the school. When I rebuked them and went to take my long cane, I thought they ran out. Didn't know they locked me inside this place around them. You know them now. You know those children. So, which one is so? Don't you understand me? That is the reason why you came to help me. What do you mean by so?
Me, I don't know what to believe anymore. Anyways, time shall tell. But I'm here for 1 month.
My dear, listen, you have to believe me. You have to trust me. Because I am trustworthy. There is no better man in this community than me. So what is this thing? If I tell you something, you should believe me. Even if you want to be here for 10 months, you'll be here. What do you want to hear? What is it you want to hear? Remove your ear from problem. Or if you're searching for problem, next thing it will locate you. Come inside and help me warm the soup.
No, me, I don't have time for that one. No. I have somewhere I'm going to before I meet her daughters.
Come now, what about this thing? Bring it now. Butia.
One teacher, lele. Dejo, one teacher. One teacher, lele. Dejo, one teacher. Give me your love, oh, baby ma. Dejo, one teacher. Yeto no mo love, you can bolo never see you. Walking outside, lele. Yeto no mo love.
Mama, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Nothing good about the afternoon.
Mommy, you know they say the sun is shining and the breeze is breezing well.
Breezy, breezy.
The breeze was so the afternoon fine well. So, maybe that one carry us confess. With the age. Because say make we buy bread, sugar, milk, make we go chop first. Make we drink tea first.
Make you go buy. Where we na money?
Money no be issue now. She just say we dey play. We get money. You go bring the thing first, put am for waterproof, then we will pay you.
What you wanna one buy?
One buy bread, come buy 2 milk, come buy sugar 200.
Bread 700. 2 milk na 500. That's a 1 2.
1 2 total. Is that your last price?
Give
Yeah,
me
now
this
bring
money.
am fast.
Make I see the money.
Bring them sharp. Oh, sure, and the money no see she no. That's no need to price.
Yeah.
Package the thing, bring them.
How upset that be my money will not go thief?
Which money? We know where I don't. You all the miss. We know where you dey keep your money.
Who give you this money?
Nah, that Chado girlfriend. Then give us the money.
It's again.
Chado girlfriend. As they come, she give us money. Say she not buy anything from our travel. Make we use and go buy bread.
That teacher Joe girlfriend. Who be the person?
Oh, Winkle, you know they finish this story. As we dey go, we see that teacher Joe girlfriend. As they talk now, she dey go that teacher Joe house. She give us this money, use and buy sweets, enjoy.
She dey go where?
In boyfriend house. Hey, Jesus! Mommy, you know lock shop, oh. Butter our bread. God don't butter our bread. God don't butter.
Very well, good one. You be trouble children.
Ha! Safi, this girl, you know, Saddam, they watch you since. I dey here, they wait for you since.
I don't understand. Why are you waiting for me?
Shameless girl. Leaving my pot of soup, leaving my pot of soup. You leaving my husband snatcher.
Look at this illiterate. I don't understand. Which husband do you want me to leave for you?
Akwaram, illiterate. Okay. So you dey plowed. Don't worry. I go teach you Sengerimo now.
Auntie Zapata, welcome.
What kind of disrespectful greeting is that? Is it not your masking?
I'm greeting you now.
Where is Ndudu, your mother?
Madam, I beg if you want see mommy, go inside. I beg. Now she will pack all these things.
Hey, my friend, don't talk to me like that. Are you mad? Look at these cockroaches. I said, where is your mother?
I don't think she did inside. I don't know why they shout.
Yeah. Me, they shout. I don't blame you. Are you sure she's inside? Go. Jump question. Cockroaches. Rubbish.
Ntanta crayfish, periwinkle one day. You be trouble children. You know sabi book, but you sabi wahala. Now which kind children na be? Una no dey preach love at all. Ntanta crayfish.
So, this girl tricked me just to have their way. Perpetua. Why are you not smart now? How could you leave a business for these evil girls? Look at how they have reduced everything. Hi. If these girls continue like this, they will rip their mother out. They will rip her. They will rip her off. She left her phone. Hey, you did. She left her phone in her shop. Left the place for them. Ha! Okwago. Evil children. Ancestors.
Ndajo! Let me come out because me and you go put it like for 1,000. Ndajo! Okay. This is what you know. No problem. If you like, stay inside. You know why I will see you. Ask me to answer me plenty questions. No problem.
Judy is not yet back. I'm sure she must have gone to see Joseph. But even if, Judy, even if you go there, please, you for lock your shop. For this your evil children. I don't like this kind of thing, I swear. You can't tell me this one. If you live here now, they'll finish everything. They will sell it off. I'm tired of waiting now. Okay. I think I'll just lock up the shop. Go with the key. That's what I will do.
One teacher lele, Dejo one teacher.
So she didn't come to your house?
When? Today? See, we were supposed to see. But her children came to my place and said that there are some policemen who are looking for her. I've searched for her everywhere, I didn't see her. There are some policemen are out there to catch her.
Police what? Wait. What did she do that police will want to arrest her?
Do I know? Do I know?
I came to her house to look for her, I didn't see her. I went to the shop. When I got to the shop, I saw those evil children. They were packing her goods. When I asked, they told me that her mother was in the house. When I got to the house, I didn't see her. I went back to the shop again to look for her. When I got, I didn't see those squeeze again. No. I didn't know that they tricked me so that they would be able to gather everything in the shop and run away.
Wait. Are you sure the police have not locked her up yet?
No, God forbid. What did she do that the police will lock her up?
I'm just thinking aloud. Never can tell. She looks for trouble all the time. Maybe one or two now, they will just get her arrested.
Can police take her? What did she commit?
Do I know? I don't know. I'm just thinking aloud.
Ndajo. Ndajo.
Where have you been? Where you go?
Not in that Joe house I go to investigate.
Wait, you go my house, go investigate. For what, Kwan?
Not be your girlfriend, staff of Biggie Bumbo. I see him for road. He tell me, say, I live with you. Say, you be buffer.
Staff of Biggie Bum. Meet you for road.
We were fighting for road. I beat him. In fact, by now her body could tell him something. I beat him. She go use her to water press her body.
So what thing you find for the investigation where you go do 9 be this? Now this thing you find for investigation.
In fact, I beat them. In fact, by now she gonna say 1 + 1 na 11. I go use her to water press her body very, very well. Even my gas is telling me, say, you and Steph, they rush to your house, go for the kids. They even telling me, said, Steph, a big bumper, give them money to buy bread.
You say waiting. No, waiting, repeat that thing when you talk again. What did they worry you now? How can you say that? Eh? No. Don't get me angry. If you are saying that you're fornication, don't get me involved. Which one is fornication inside this talk?
Reduce your voice, calm down.
I don't like that.
Okay. But my gas is telling me, say, you and Steph, a big bumper, they go your house, go for the kids.
Don't say that again. Don't get me angry now, you did.
No verse.
No wonder. No wonder when I came to the shop, I saw them packing your goods. I hope they paid for it.
Them packing what? Your goose. This gas don't killing me, yo. This gas don't kill me.
For you.
They're packing your goods.
Hey, my booty.
Since you will leave the important thing you'll be doing and you are following me up and down, you are looking for what you want to see. One day you see that thing.
It's okay.
What is wrong with you? No, I don't like the way girls behave. How can you be following you cannot let a man breathe?
Yeah.
Because of what?
You can breathe now. At the come.
Okay. Don't go slap. Waiting be that. Thank God though. Better. As I notice, say don't they go the gossip side. You go fornicate. Now I press her with anger. Focus her with the that's push her with the verse. Come bring your voice down. Before you go talk, enter nonsense. Yeah.
Well, I'm not going to sell this bread 100 naira now.
Maka why?
Because it don't become second-hand material now.
No be only second hand. I can give me that bread. Maka tell you. If you don't want buy, leave am. Come on here. Tell the price 100 naira. Understand?
Okay, I would like to buy the bread, but first, I would like to know how I get the item.
See question. I don't understand. Now that which kind of question be that one now? Now you start this business for us. Why you go to answer that kind of stupid question? You know that you want to know where we start. Okay, person no feel wake up like this, say, I want to start business. Make I start this business. Person no feel do am. If I want to start business, I will go tell all the old people in this village say I want to start business. Okay, make I tell you in case you want to know. We just say make we start small business. He say, oh, we're going to stay for shop, they do nothing. If we go to buy them from market, if we sell a fish, we go to walk out up and down, they say. You don't clear? You don't understand that now? And as you buy this one now, go. And as you sell this one now, go market, go buy another one. So why all this question on the house? If you don't buy, make una come out because people they think say we don't dey sell market. If they see, they will think na customer.
Okay, sorry for the question. I can see that you people are very intelligent and you people want to prosper in life. I would like to buy this stuff.
Which one you want buy?
I would like to buy everything. So calculate the money and tell me the bill. Let me pay.
Nana, you dey come. I na calculate.
Ntanta crayfish, periwinkle one day. You be trouble children.
What type of problem is this one, man? Eh? What is my own problem in this one? I thought I was a relationship guru till this time. What is this? Can't a man cheat in peace? Can't I just decide to cheat in peace? People cheat. Solomon in the Bible, Shebi, they say he has 700 concubines of wife. None of them know each other. The concubines don't know each other. But this one, I just say, let me manage now. Steph will not allow me. Eh? Can't this girl just let me have peace? It's not like I don't like both of them. I like the two of them. But it is Uduma that I want to make my wife. Stay away. Just relax small. Let me be the one to search for you. You'll be following me up and down. Ha! Oh! It's period, no one.
Ntanta crayfish, periwinkle.
2 bread, 12 sachets of milk, 10 sachets of sardine. What did these girls use my things to do for this my shop? I be then go sell them. If they come back, they go tell me where they carry my money go and they go give me back.
Brother, mommy.
One of you. How are you?
We're fine.
Yeah, you are fine. You are this side. Come this side. What do you want to use my market to do?
What do you do?
All my things is not lost for my shop. Where will I carry and go?
Auntie Pepe na.
Auntie Bangini,
Na she carry all of them.
you the light.
Auntie Pepe, see, as you come out, we waka come out, she come waka enter. So now she carry everything come out.
When they telling me the truth.
Yes, na.
Okay, you go carry me.
Steph! Why you come on, leave me. Why are you rough handling me?
You get what you order for. You think you can chop me and then clean mouth and go and marry that with Abi? It never work.
What does that mean? Huh? Did I promise you anything, Mary? Did I say we are going to marry? Is it not hookup that I'm doing with you? Huh?
Hey, so me, I'm good for knacking Abi, and she's good for marrying. It will not work.
See, Steph, you see this thing you are planning, eh? It will never work. It will never work.
What nonsense are you talking about?
What's wrong with you?
So you think you can use me and then dump me, then go and marry Udumaba?
Legodi, somebody is just managing something with you. You want to come and carry wholesale? Is that how you used to do? Huh? Is that how you used to do? Please go one side though. This thing you're planning will never work, I've told you. Eh? Because somebody cannot invite you to come and eat and you wash 2 hands. Me that has the food, what will I do? Is it not to go and bath now? Or we're in a swimming pool? Please, oh, I don't want problem. You, what do you want? What do you want? Say it now.
What I want, Abi?
Spill it. What do you want?
Juba, you know that I love you so much.
It's not like I love you too. I love you too, but you see marriage, to tower that side, come out from that side completely. I don't have anything marriage with you because that is not what we planned.
Juba, if you really love me like you claim.
I'm not claiming anything. I am not claiming anything. I've told you. Marriage will not work between us.
Okay, so why don't you want to marry me?
I did not plan to marry you. That was not our plan. So why are you bringing it up?
But it's not women that initiate marriage.
Who told you? Nowadays, women initiate marriage because men are scarce. Especially men like me, working at all this kind of men, this species. You have to initiate something if you have something in mind. So what do you want? Say it.
Joe, I want to marry you.
And you were doing guy. It was heavy for you to say. Anyway, me, I don't want to marry you. I don't want to marry you. I already have someone in my mind. Yes, because when you see a boss like this, you are just looking, without going to buy tickets. The people that bought the ticket fast will have a seat first before you. Unless they don't like the seat, they can now stand up for you to sit.
Hey, so this is what you are saying, Abi?
It is not, this is proverb.
You see this your
It is
plan?
not what I'm saying.
It will never work. If you cannot marry me, you will never marry another woman.
All wrong, we have to quag.
Okay.
All wrong, we have to quag. And what here? No, come and force me now. Come and force me. You came for hookup, now you want to migrate to something else. Is this what we planned? Idiot. Una gi kuroku hookup, ebiazie na na-achọ onye ị ga-alụ. Otu unu ja alụ di n'ike.
Ntonto, Periwinkle, why are you running? You people have been running since today. What's the matter?
Is it not people? It's people. Is it not our mommy and our friend?
Relax. Talk to me. What happened?
We tell our mama say we don't want me she marry that teacher Joe. Now the friend carry her for head. Say why we go talk like that? Carry everything for head though.
Well, as long as I'm concerned, Joe will never marry anybody else except him.
Okay, so now you want marry her?
Mm-hmm.
Hey, good. Hey, the Lord! Hallelujah!
They will never marry as long as I'm alive.
They don't go marry.
Never.
Like you don't go die in Jesus' name. Amen.
So now, we'll be partners. We'll plan and we'll make sure they will never marry. He's not going to marry her.
No, you know, ever happen.
I'm not dead yet.
So, like this now, we don't become team, Abi.
Yes.
Okay, so as we be team like this now, you know, say team supposed to go get leader. That's what they lead us. So who go be the? Let me go be the leader. Who go be the leader now? Who can be the leader? Who be the leader now? Me.
Also help for Lent. Available here.
Hello, ma. Good evening.
Good evening.
My name is Udoka Onyemwechi. Please, I'm interested in this notice. Do you rent out nanny services here?
Nagini.
Nanny services.
And now what thing you see for the blackboard?
Oh, they are the same.
Yeah. We get 2 children for sale. Even if you want them forever, we go give you.
For sale?
Now money for hand back for grand.
Wait, I hope you are not into human trafficking.
Traffic? You see motor for here where they cause of traffic?
No, I mean, I hope you are not into buying and selling people.
No, now my 2 children. They're very hard working. If you want me to work from today to tomorrow, then they're very ready.
Okay, I'm interested. Yeah, I want to see them so that I will pay and take them to my house. Immediately, yes.
But we talk about the payment too. It's very important.
So how much do I pay to rent them?
One picking in 10,000. Then if you take 2 of them now 20,000.
That's good.
You mean I'm?
Immediately.
Sharp. Very sharp. Are they come, Hey, Perry! Ntanta! Perry! Hey! See, shut up your mouth! Shut up your mouth! I don't blame you. You people lied against me, You went and told your mom and lie against me. You see what I will do to you. I'm taking you to your house. If you try it, I'll bite you.
Ntanta crayfish, periwinkle one day. You be trouble children. You know some people.
Madam, where are the nannies?
The problem now be say, those girls, they don't there for inside. Now, they get us the day they do like spirit. Today they go there for house, tomorrow they don't go there. They come out.
I see. See, I'm just interested in this because I want to employ them to work in my pure water factory. Where they'll be packing pure waters for me.
They fit the job. They don't get anything. That's what they do. What they do? They're very, very hard working. But the thing now be say you go do deposit your money. You go deposit and make it be say you don't order them.
No problem. That's a good suggestion. No problem.
I get sense. I get sense no be for math. I smart.
I see. So how do I make the payment?
You go pay 6 months money. That you go come be 6 months. You go come be 60,000 naira.
You mean I will pay 120,000 naira?
Plus agent fee.
Which one be agent fee again?
If you want rent a house, you no go pay for agent fee. You see, they don't come back.
I did the nannies.
I catch them for my side. And I decided to bring them to clear the air on the allegations leveled against me. Now waiting make I carry them.
Pepe, you go leave that one now. Forget that matter. Business don't come now. This man now won't put them for government to work.
Government work?
Yes, sir.
Oh, see?
Government work.
As he waiting now, you don't turn Judas, we say Jesus.
Shut up your mouth, you be Judas, you be Jesus. See, Oga, you go begin to pay the money now. So I go pack their load inside now. Go tie them with a rope, make you carry them. They go before they go disappear.
I will do that right away now.
Yeah. Make I go carry their load to come, make you carry them. They go.
No, and I'm waiting.
You don't agree for me?
You don't agree?
I don't understand. What did
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Come on for road, never pass now.
Rejected our sisters. Una must come up for this house.
I hope these girls are smart.
They
Right?
can even say you.
Tell me.
Sorry.
I don't understand.
I mean, say your company, Joyce. I mean, they are very hardworking. They are very smart.
Exactly what I want to hear.
You will love to work with them.
Exactly what I want to hear.
Ntanta crayfish, periwinkle one day. You be trouble children. You know sabi buku, but you sabi wahala. Now which kind children?
Why are you slowing? Be going. Listen. If you behave yourselves in my house, I will treat you very well. Yes. You will not suffer. Okay?
So we are good girls. You like us.
I like you people already. Yes. So let's be going.
Thank you. No mention.
You're welcome. What is happening here? Wait, stop it! Stop! Hey! Stop it! Stop.
Yeah. What? Chidi, you want to kidnap children, Abi?
Listen to me. You will pay for this.
Want to buy children? I will punish you.
Evil children, you will pay for this. You will pay for this. Your mother will refund me the money that I gave to her. What kind of nonsense is this? Evil children.
Why you dey cry like say now you get to the pikin? You dey cry past the dead person. Why you dey cry? Now you're picking.
I was the one that captured them and brought them for the man to see them and take them away. So why will you deny me of the money?
I don't give you any money. Which money you want to collect? Now you're pickings. I don't give you any money.
Why you not go share them with me? Why you not go share them?
Okay.
They say eyes will see, they collect. So why you go reach my turn? You say you no one give me. No wickedness be that.
Okay.
At least you suppose give me 10% out of the 120 where the man give you.
See this girl. You never even see 5%. They look for 10%.
Not be only girl.
You don't look for 5%. I be 10%. What's I go give you now? 10,000. 10,000.
You say
10,000.
10
You dey collect them, I be no collect them.
You're not serious.
They collect or you know they come.
What? We're back. Congratulations.
Come back from where?
From where you sent us. Oh, go inside bag. Go find what to go chop.
You see him? I took him. Hey, I beg where my money. Why they look me like that?
Which money?
My share now.
The people why I carry make it, not the money why I collect for their head.
Why, waiting consign me.
You not go collect a shasha.
Hey, wait, you sure say now you born these children?
Ask up. Yeah, these children, come here.
Oh wow.
Don't take a fish. Very winkle one day. You be trouble children. You know sabi book, oh, but you sabi wahala. Now which kind children una be? Una
Steph, have I not warned you not to come to my house without calling me? What is it?
I came to see you.
You came to see me without calling me? Huh?
Joe, I don't need to call you because you sabi lie. So I'll come here anytime I like.
Wait, I sabi lie. Steph, you said I sabi lie. No problem, I heard you. Anyway, I'm going to staff meeting. I told you I'm their secretary, so I have important staff meeting that I'm attending to.
See, I came to discuss something very important with you.
That thing
so
is,
just wait and hear me out.
that thing you want to discuss is not important. Because if it's important, you would have called me to at least give me information that you are coming. We will not have time to discuss it. It's not anything important you don't discuss in a hurry. You want to go? So please, let me go where I'm going to.
Joe, why are you behaving like this? After using me, now you are treating me like shit, ba?
What did you just say? No, Steph, what did you just say? After using you. Women, what is wrong with you people, Steph? No, what is wrong with you people? Anytime you have small thing with a man, small thing you just saying they use you, they use you, they use you. What do you mean by they use you? Who used you? Me. Used you. Did you use me? No. Am I not somebody's son? Did you not use me? Huh? What the thing you said we did you not enjoy it? Did you not enjoy it? Were you not the one? The one trying to break my spinal cord. Were you not enjoying it? And your voice was your voice filled everywhere in the house. Onyala, after using you, I use you, you use me. Who will pay? Is it not one? No, I use you, you use me. Who will pay?
Joe, you see that thing you are planning to do? It will never work unless I'm not alive.
You will not be alive. You said it's over your dead body, okay? You will not be alive. What after Ochicharage? After Ochicharage, Ochiligi, the thing will not work. Onyala.
We shall see.
We shall not see anything. Kitipa newe wanne riagenu. We shall see. Kitipa riagenu. Women, small thing you will do with a man now, you'll be feeling that he has done. How many men have you slept with? Am I the first? Onya kwarakyo ibon subo wa na kwekwe or more. Who is here?
Awone. Oga, na you?
Yes, na me. Yes, na me.
What thing happened?
If you know the money I paid you to rent those urchins that nearly blinded me, give it to me.
Oga, you go get Sotoroto. You go, what thing? Which money? You give me money? When you give me money? When we sign, say you give me money?
What do you mean by which money? 120,000 naira plus 10,000 naira agency fee. I paid to rent those were two devils. Give it to me back.
Oga, na business we do. And when you do business, no refund after payment.
What?
No refund after payment.
The business did not work. That business did not work. Your girls dealt with me on the way to the factory. They tied me up, put sand into my eyes and bolted away.
Now who fought it come be now? We do business, I give you my children. Una dey go waka. Wetin happen after that time no consign me. Okay, since you want to collect your money, bring my children and I go give you your money.
Hey. I be madman, oh. I be madman, oh. So this Ojolo that you are planning will not work. Give me my money or else I will show you fire and thunder here.
Hey! People, never, you want rape me, oh. Never, you want rape me, oh. Never! No, come now, idiot. Come collect money. I don't know who do my be. You just dey find out. No worry. I dey come for you. Nonsense man. You won't collect your money. We do business. Business no work. You want still collect the money. Thunder fire your yash there.
Which kind of temptation is be this? Eh? Which kind of temptation, which kind of wahala be this? Eh? How can this woman do me this 419? What did I do? What is my offense? Eh? This woman is a criminal. She's a criminal. Eh? Look at the way she brought in rape into it. Just like that. Huh? I no go agree. You see this one? I no go agree. I no go agree. I will come back.
Hi, the business is going very, very well. Oh. Hi, I gotta do this thing again. Another man I want to lend my children. I will allow them because the business is going well. I don't stock on my shop. Everything is there okay. This one, see wait. Ndajo. Ndajo. Okay. What happened? Eh? What happened?
My enemies are after me.
What happened? Sit down.
Is it not that girl? That girl that will always be chasing me up and down. The girl that said I will not drink water and drop cup. The girl, Steph now.
Steph, big bomb. What happened?
Steph, big bomb brought some ragamuffins to kill me.
God forbid.
That I must love her. If I don't love her, that they should kill me.
Budget fighter, in fact, the thunder that will strike her is coming from Woody Hill.
That is why I came to this place to seek asylum.
Asylum?
Asylum?
Asylum? Who is asylum?
Asylum is
it's
not a human being. Asylum is a situation whereby somebody is in danger. You are in danger. Then you seek refuge somewhere. That is seeking asylum.
Refuge?
In a couple. Don't worry. We're not far. We're very far. So, like, I want to come to this place and be staying. Let me come here and be staying in case of danger.
Oh, mommy, it will not happen because you never marry me. If you marry me now, if you come here and stay now, what do people say?
It doesn't matter what people say. Our love is the most important thing here. What people say doesn't matter. It doesn't count.
I rough you, but you need to.
Listen to me. It's not like I'm going to stay here full time. I'll just be coming here during the day. And like at night when there is less danger, I can go back home. You want to go?
It's because I rough you.
I love you too, my love.
But if you come and stay, you will dim your eye. You will dim your eye. You stay on your own. I will stay on my own.
Why, not always. Yes, men are wired. I cannot stay now.
Wire nowhere. You will not come and stay then. You will not come and stay.
Don't worry. I will dim my eyes. I will dim my eyes.
So if you stay here now,
eyes too.
I will dim my eyes. I will dim my eyes.
No, I've accepted. It's because I love you.
I love you too.
Once this thing once Stephanie just go back to her base, once she finish with her leave, I'll just pay your bride price and everything will start happening. That means you can bring all your properties and can come here and be staying with me. And live with you? No, it's you that will come and live with me. No, you will bring your properties and live with me. I'm the man here. You come and live with me. Then come inside. I want to. Come inside and do it. There's something I want to teach you. Teach me here. No. This one is a secret. No, teach me here. No, come first. Come. I want to teach you something. Follow me. If I say follow me, you follow me. Come. I'm in danger. Come first. Oh, that's all. Let me dim my eye here.
Now that we have done this thing, once he sees your mother, he will hate her and he will marry me. Wetin concern Jesus with calabash and red hair tie? Eh? Just pray people have not spoiled this thing. That was the instruction that Baba gave. I just pray this thing will still work.
No, you not go spoil it. If not that one, we feel drum. We feel drum now. Oh, yeah, 1, 2, ready, go. No praise the Lord. No hallelujah. Check out.
Let's remove the head tie first.
Yeah. What a single.
Yeah.
No, keep your own on top my own.
Oh yeah, let's go before someone will see us and go and tell me. Go, go!
One teacher lele, Dejo one teacher lele.
Hey, who's him? I will not like to stress me. I'm getting tired of all these things. See, my dear, please, can you just rush to your shop now? What I need now is a yogurt or juice, so I'll calm my spirits down small.
Money, bring the money. Okay, yogurt na 600. Juice na 750.
I don't need to know the price. If waiting, I want you the price. You go and get it.
No, you go know. You go know.
For what one?
You go know because na business.
I go pay. Ha. Now you deem me the hash, you not sabi do love at all. So if I come to your house now, if you give me cola nut, you charge me for the cola nut, I will pay for the cola nut.
You go pay. You go pay.
Go and get it. This business is supposed to be our business together.
Okay, my love.
Remove your hand from my distance.
You the best. You the best.
Go and bring your God. Go.
Give me your love, Dejo.
You should say this thing go work. You should say it go make Dad Joe marry you, leave our mama alone.
Yes, now that was what the Baba said. And I believe him.
Auntie Steph, congratulations for the marriage between you and Dad Joe.
Thank you.
See, if you do wedding, don't forget to take us as your flowering girls.
Why not? I will. Just hurry home. Yeah? Make sure you don't tell anybody what happened today. Make sure you don't tell anybody what happened today.
No.
Oh, yeah, go.
You be trouble children.
My baby. Iwa. See, my baby, I just think now.
Think as a corner. What do you think?
Hi, baby, see, I think. See, this is our relationship now. When it don't balance, just they imagine, say the thing don't right. Me and you come marry. I come pay by price, people gather chop, enjoy. We come there our house, come get a picture of me and you. Where we get uniform. Where we wear uniform. They're happy. I say they're happy.
Then they call us Mr. and Mrs. Tichandajo.
Mr. and Mrs. what?
Tichandajo.
Tichandajo. What do you want to answer?
Tichandajo.
See, where those your ragamuffin? Those your urchins of children? Where are they?
I said, we get a piece of mind, you know, like her. You want me to come and etc.
No, I like them. They happy as we day alone now. They cruise. We just they cruise alone. Everywhere good. You like it, Abby? Take. Let's make I swear for them. You see those your children? Anywhere when they whether na east, west, north and south, they don't go ever return. Say until we finish what they do. In fact, they go remain there. He say.
My children.
I won't hang them there. Make I hang them.
Hang you waiting.
Okay, don't worry. Then we'll come back. They'll be back. You can't spoil something.
The charger. The church say you won't marry me.
You too like this your children. No?
No, my
This
children.
your children, you too like them.
Hey! Na pepe.
What's in the happen for here? You guys are really enjoying it.
Pepe, how you doing now? Welcome.
What's in happen? I came to see you.
Yeah, let me be this now. Dajo, excuse us. Excuse.
White excused.
Ngwa, nne. Sit down here. Sit down here.
They enjoy you.
I still got to do one for me.
Don't butter your bread.
What's happen?
What's happen? I come, so make I talk to you now about my 10%.
Pepe, be like say you want just annoying me. You know, she say my children come back. And the man talks say make I return him money, make I refund him money. You dey talk of which money?
Are you serious?
The man must say make I refund him money. And he said, now you even remember me now, Seth. The 5,000 where you pack things for my shop, you go give me.
See, I don't want to hear that nonsense from your mouth. Which kind of nonsense talk with that? It a grace. You don't call something to do it for head. See, I won't send this one as last warning to you. No try am. No even try am. Something they do you.
Pepe, you give me the money. That's the money. Now today you go give me the money.
Fine, guinea.
In fact, you go give me the money before you come off from here.
Mad.
In fact, you go give me the money now. You go give me the money now. You go give me the money now.
You dey try me.
Try what?
I go give you city blow. I go give you city blow.
I go give you village nothing. Village nothing now.
If you try me, I go give you city blow.
Give me the 5,000.
Which 5,000?
Give me the 5,000.
I owe you.
Give me the 5,000.
Baby, leave him.
I owe you.
Make it collect my 5,000 when you did it. Make it give me my 5,000.
There's no way I will allow that woman eat my money and go scot-free. It's not possible. You see that money? She must refund it to me or remain on Wuya. Yes. Who born her? Who born dog? And that thing is, if she refuses to pay that money, we will bundle her to my house. We will keep her until she pays up. Like thunder, like fire. Let's go. I say.
How could she be accusing me of stealing? When she didn't see me taking anything from her shop.
But my children see you. They see you when you take the money. They say you thief them. Izuria.
See, you Dim. This lady has been your friend for a very long time. I don't believe she can steal anything from you. I don't believe that.
Tell her now. At times she dey leave her shop, na me dey there. I go save for her, do everything for her. I go still give her the actual amount I sold. I go still give her the money.
See, these your children, you know the kind of children you have.
It's not fair. It's not fair. How could she accuse me of stealing? When she did not see me taking anything from her shop?
We have to wait for your children to come back so that we can interrogate them very well. And know where this thing
is coming from. Dajo, thank you. Now God go bless you for me. How my friend go dey believe her liar's children pass me? It's not nice now. It's not fair. It's not fair. I go go. No problem. Dajo, thank you.
You James, I don't like the way you handle this matter. At all. It is not proper.
Now you go pay the 5,000.
But you know your children, you know the kind of children you have. You know the way they lie and all that. This matter now, they must have taken all these things and they want to put it on her head. Huh?
Nah, right.
Okay, they believe your children. Your children know they lie. Your children they talk to you. These your children don't ever say they don't ever tell you any truth for the past 5 years now. What did they do for my body? Go, John. I don't like what you did. I don't like what you did.
Now she thief am.
How?
Now she thief am.
No be she. Now your children go thief me.
So you they believe my friend over me. You they believe in my friend over me.
And they believe you over your friend. So now she thief am.
Now she thief am.
Now she thief am. Now she thief am. Too like trouble. Too like trouble. Let me go and get my things and go, John. You escort me now. Too like wahala. That's why I just love you like that.
Hey, who is here? Who is here? Who is here? Wait. Who is here? Hey, wait. Wait. It's like nobody's in the house.
Okay,
Everywhere.
I won't break it.
Wait, now. Take it easy. This is burglary. You don't do it. If this woman goes to the police, all of us will be in trouble. You know what? We have to drop a message for her so that when she comes, she will see the message. But do you have any paper or Bible with you? Do you have any?
Yes, sir.
Wait, I think I have. Thank you so much. Wait. She thinks she will eat my money and go scot-free. It's not possible. It's not possible. Madam Renter, or whatever you call yourself, you will have from today till tomorrow to pay me my money. Else, Madam Renter. Okay. Take your Bible. Let's go. Let's move. Nonsense.
We don't upgrade though. We don't upgrade to hunters. Hunters of our time. Anybody will try nonsense now go shoot them. See? Like the way we go. Especially Damu. I don't know what to do in my mind. Piatori na your own name. You know go far now, but you good. Now like the way we go for eye, do one will be say it will be one shot, 7 apples. Let me catch you. This all go for He go where? See my own make I show you now. Now be old school. I can show you now. Go beat you. Yeah, beat you. You go, but you go down. Do am up. You go, but na down. See my own. You go straight and well. God walk.
Don't take a fish. Very winkle one day. You be trouble children.
Leave me in that joke. Our love, not the sweet.
See, I don't escort you reach your house. Abi?
What thing come be this one?
Person they threaten you. You the old person.
Now that man way carry my children go do government work. Eh? The man don't pay money. I don't know how he take do my children call escape from his hand. Now he wants to make I give him back the money. And I tell him say no refund after payment. I tell him.
Oh, you tell him say no refund them?
Yes.
So what you go do now because this threat too much?
Oui. No, the matter no concern you, na my matter. No worry, I go handle him. The man no get case.
Are you sure?
Yes, na. No refund after payment. So no worry, eh?
Maybe just be careful.
Daddy, I rap for you too.
Yeah, come on.
Dajo. Oh yeah, they go. No, they go.
Oh, don't force the love. Love.
Yeah, Steph, what is wrong with you? Eh? Why can't you just respect me and stop coming to this place without information?
Why are you behaving out of the contrary? Eh?
Which contrary?
You know you like pretend, even when something is happening to you.
Eh? What did you just say now? I like pretending even when something is happening to me. What is happening to me? Do I look like somebody that something is happening to?
So you are saying you are okay now?
I'm sick. I'm shivering. In fact, I'm shaking. Are you okay? What do you mean by I'm looking like somebody that something is happening to? Don't say that nonsense again, no.
Wait, you did not see the message I left for you yesterday?
Message?
Yeah.
What message? Wait, Steph! So it was you? Steph! So you were the one that kept that nonsense here? That nonsense? Hey, oh, Chineke. I laugh. You don't know who you are dealing with. You think I'm just ordinary man? You think I'm those men you just play with? Sorry. Let me tell you, I am the only son of Obozo Obotiti. So all this your 1,500 naira charms cannot touch me. It can never come close to me. You know? So you better go to this bush now. Go that place, you will see where I kept your calabash. Tied up with the nonsense juju wrapper. Go there and pick it up. You are not mad. Go and pick it up. That you are not mad.
So this is what you are saying, Ba?
This is what I'm doing. Onyala.
Foolish man. You think you can use me and dump me? Eh?
Okay, again, I think I can use you and dump you. Sorry. Let me warn you. In fact, let me tell you. If you cross this door, you see this door? If you mistakenly cross this door now, I will use you again. I will just turn you down. Use you more. I will use you more and more.
Yeah.
Hey! Why are you doing that? Have you seen what you've done to my clothes now? Eh? You look beautiful, but you are very, very aggressive. Have you seen what you have done to my clothes now? Eh?
You deserve it.
Okay, I deserve it. No problem. You think this is how you will force a man to do your bidding? Like this? You want to force me to do whatever you want? Sorry.
See, since you don't want it in peace, I will give it to you in pieces. Because they say that the kingdom of love suffered violence, and only the violent take it by force. Okay, the kingdom of your own love suffered violence. That one is fake love. It is the kingdom of fake love that suffered that your violence. And only people like you, the violent like you, will try to take it by force, and you will never get it. Can you hear me? Eh? My own kingdom of romance, kingdom of romantic, does not see violence at all. Ode janya violence. Onyala. Stop coming here. Stop coming here. I've warned you. You see, you have luck. You have luck. If not, I'm still coming back for you today. Cut away, Oyeri ki Isam, iwe samami anage cho. Onyara. You are here, let me go and change this clothes. Any day you can make it talk around here. Any day you tear my clothes, you will pay for it here before you leave. I know here. Onye in a church by fire by force. Come and marry me now. To jam, the wise one.
Eyes of the gods. This is the place.
The bird that perches on gum brings to itself wahala. He thinks he can fly over to Jam's trap, which he failed. He escaped the first. He will never escape the last one. Young woman, go home. Get your wedding gown ready. He will marry you before you travel back to the city.
Really?
You are praying on Tujam. It is done as I have said it.
Praise the Lord!
Ah! Which Lord are you praising?
I'm sorry, I forgot. Praise the Madio!
Ah! You have ruined everything. Just go home. Go back to the city and find another man that will marry you. But he will never marry you again. Your careless mouth has cost you this thing now. Go home now.
Oh, don't force the love. Maka ije love, waloko si adio. Don't force the love. Don't force this love. Don't force love. Waloko si adio.
With me.
My love. See you, Jim. I didn't know. Manje.
Leave me.
See, I can't wait to make you my wife. See, I cannot wait.
Which one be you cannot wait? Make you not be waiting at the think.
What do you think?
Make you not be saying you don't go follow Steph. They follow him up and down for Yash.
What type of talk is that one?
Sure me, you can't wait.
What is confusing you?
Eh? You won't go follow Steph?
Follow Steph, go where?
Which one be you can't wait?
Now the English be your problem. Is it the English that is confusing you? I said I cannot wait. I can't wait means that I want to marry you fast. I don't feel the wait again. Now the grammar be the problem.
My love. My love. You get waiting I want to tell you.
What is it?
You know that man where we say I lent my children and give them.
Okay, that man. You don't send the money, give him. Don't give him back.
They fund the fire. I know they fund any money. I go report them to police. Tell them police say they want to rape me.
You want to rape you? Abi want to do you?
They want to rape me.
Rape? You want to rape you? When the man try to rape you?
Ndajo, you see, in this life, make you use 5 minutes, take fear women.
Okay, make you take 5 minutes. Breathe. Fear woman. Okay, good. Not other people you will tell that one, not me, because I can never fear you, no matter what. Hey, okay, be matter one fufu. So you carry that man go put for sale. You carry and go lock her up. Hey. Yuji, see, I get body pain. Make I lie down for that one. Make you massage me.
Don't force the love. Maka ije love, waloko si adio. Don't force the love.
Ha! Step big side. How you doing now? How about you? You're not fine. What is wrong?
It's not that stupid that teacher Joseph.
What has he done again?
Can you imagine that this man has refused to marry me after everything I've done for him?
Hey, how now? Fine girl like you, he refused to marry you. Ah, that's not possible now. You know the road.
I think is that your friend? I think she has used one strong juju on him. Now he cannot even look at me again.
Really? It's a juju.
I wonder who helps her with it.
Steph, don't you know any babalawo or mamalawo that can help you counter what she has done?
I know. The last mamalawo I brought messed everything up. And now I can't even look at him again. And I just have few days more left to spend in this village.
This one hard. The issue is that I don't know anyone. I don't know anyone. But see, I don't like putting my mouth in this relationship matter. See Joe now, you know I like him so much. Same way other women are running after him in this village. So it's not easy. I don't know, I can't help. See, if I were you, I will go back to the city. See, if you get to the city, you see all these cute guys, cute men with big swag. They will love you. They will spend on you. You'll be fine. Come on. Check yourself now. Hey! Just only two in this village. You and I. You try and not waste yourself for this village. Go to the city. Go and hustle, make money with big men. You'll come back and thank me later.
You know, that's what I'm thinking of doing.
Exactly.
Because the last woman I brought messed everything up. So let me just go. Let me just go and know what I
You need to go, eh? My friend, just take heart. Before you turn that stupid man to celebrity in this village, he's not going to use you. And I go best for you. Come here, my friend.
Thank you.
Step. Fine girl. See your back. Hey!
You see later.
Men, eh? They don't get eye at all. Step in. See her backside, so you dey shake. Don't mind them all these village men, eh? That's why I had my boo-boo.
Ntanta crayfish, periwinkle one day. You be trouble children. You know sabi book, but you sabi wahala.
Hey! Come on, Angela, come here. Both of you. This small winch. What is wrong with both of you?
Atangele, madams. Where are you guys coming from? Can't you guys greet? Or you've gone blind?
See. Wait. To be here, what's not here? I didn't hear them. Who are they greet? Did they see anybody? Who side? I know they see you. What did they happen here? Where could they go?
Come on, stop there, you man.
Yeah.
It's like both of you have gone crazy, Abi.
The thing is still in me.
You know they see me. I don't turn ghost to both of you, Abi.
Be like na ghost. Na ghost. Na ghost. Ghost. You need to check one more. How many? South. No, go check. Be like. Hey! They shake you. Why they shake me? This one not pass ghost, though.
Fire waiting. Hey!
Come now. Maybe you don't reach you pack all your things. Come to no mind now. What the need to talk? Nonsense. You don't tell your body again. Come inside here. Nah. Come outside. Hey!
No shoot. I beg you, no shoot. And your mommy? Wait, no shoot. Eh? Who could I put down on a weapon of welfare? Make you not go touch me, please. I beg.
Tell that man when they inside there. Make it come outside before we listen to you. Sharp.
They afraid una now. They fear una. Make una drop
her. No go catch us.
I no go catch una. See, okay. I got the good news. Where go make una love me well.
Tell her make come out first. Make come out.
Oh yeah, make una put una down now. Put her down. Put her down. Okay, I go call her. Now.
Collect her now. Call her.
Ndajo.
What's no?
So that this nonsense, this thing now, I be the good news for you.
But not be the good news, be this.
Very good news, you know.
Oga Sabi, who tell you to put your mouth for this matter?
I'm sorry, my slip of tongue.
Slip of tongue. If you talk again, me, I go get slip of hand. Yes. And this my catapult go get slip of catapult and catapult your head.
Perry, see, why are you always angry? Why you dey vex up and down like this? I know they like am.
What the money where they talk of?
The money for bank, and 10,000 I won't give on. So I go bank go withdraw the money.
When the bank will give us the money?
I'm not go get an account, so I go withdraw the money for cash.
Now which day the bank will give us the money? Delay is dangerous.
Tomorrow.
Baby, listen. Hey, don't shoot. I have the money here. Let me give you.
Perry.
I have it. Let me give you. Maybe you settle later.
Get ready?
Come and take.
We do not try Yamo. We go catch us.
No, come
give
and
us
take.
The money that she give us.
Come and take the money.
Give us the money.
Give me the money. It's not 10,000.
10,000.
I go show my waiting be.
We're not going to get them.
Tanta crayfish, periwinkle one day. You be trouble children. You know some people
who they have?
Yudi.
Mommy. Yeah, baby. I also want to be the percentage money carry you come.
Yudi. Zuwanike. Your blood today hot.
Talk waiting carry you come now or make you they go.
Be calming down. See, now the plans of your enemies, I won't come reveal to you. But as I say, you know they're interested.
Come on, no. You see, any smart thing now you go begin the verse. That smart thing where you can't carry one tell me now. We go good for my body. You won't carry and go back. It good.
I think you know they're interested now.
What thing happen?
Anyway, now matter we concern your boyfriend.
Ndaju. What thing happen to her?
What thing happen? That thing never happen, no. But if you not take time, if it happen.
What thing be the thing where won't happen?
You know, Step Bonbon. Step Bonbon now. As I was coming back from work, I met her. She told me that she went to your boyfriend's house with one Mama Lao to drop juju.
Ndajo! What did you just say? What did I hear you talk now?
You tell him now.
What did you just say now?
Tell her what did you just tell me now?
You know what are they for your mouth?
Wait, you say Mama Lao drop waiting for where?
Okay. You heard what I was saying. Step Bonbon told me. So I decided to come and tell my friend. So she will reach out to you. She told me that she dropped the juju in your house. That's why I came.
For my own compound. My compound.
I beg I don't they go.
You see what you think you got now?
What did I do?
This gas don't run. You will keep them inside if they do something now. You don't carry and come go. Come they go.
I beg. No use me certain way till you get. Now better information I can't give you. I beg. Which kind of nonsense to be that one? Person that they help you.
You hear them? What you hear now? That they dropped something in my compound. They dropped jam in my compound. I'm going there. I will not agree for anybody. You hear me?
What could they do?
And then we go there.
Ha! The one more.
Where is my money?
What the money? What the money?
Where my 20,000. Where's my money?
Wati chalele, Dejo, one teacher, le.
No go there. Oh. No go there. No go.
Oh. Follow me. You're always afraid. Come.
Man, Dejo, chalo. Wait now.
Come and stand here. Don't be afraid. See, anybody that puts his hand into a snake hole, the person does not know the plan that the snake has for him or her.
Hey.
Plant is plant. Leaf is leaf. Juju na juju. We too. We are stand by juju. I put juju kwaku. So don't worry, you will see. Don't be afraid. Hold this thing for me. Hold this thing.
Dejo, come.
Don't be afraid. Relax. I'm coming. Chan dundu. Ndị chukwu ndị chenta. Kamalụla eri aja. Nkanka ụlọ a na-atụ egwu agwọ. Ọwụ ya. Taa. A na-atụ egwu. Afọ a na-atụ egwu buru ụzọ.
Dejo. Hey!
Taa! Onwere atụla egwu. Come close.
Come close though.
Onwere. This one don't go. Even children will use this spot. Nothing there again.
Dejo. Who teaching you this one?
I want to go Adam. Remove it. No, knock it. Even if you enter your body, it don't come out. Don't my dear. Don't worry.
You see why I love you?
This is today. Now we there here. I see you can give me my bag. Run to your house and run because of those your children.
Dejo, you sure say you did okay?
Nothing they shell.
What?
Nothing they shell. If I piss here, if I piss here, the person that did this thing will just die straight. But make I pity him, don't worry.
Okay. Dejo, okay. Hey.
One teacher, le. Dejo, one teacher, le. Dejo.
Descendant of Mama Lawo and the sister of Calabash. What did they worry you?
I am here to warn you to stay away from my man.
If I not stay and wait for him, what thing can happen?
I am here to beat you, blue and black.
You won't beat me blue. You won't beat me blue black. You won't beat me blue black. Now who is the beat blue black? Who won't beat blue black? See, next time I go use a boniki rubber for your eye.
Thank you. Thank God. Thank God, you know easy. The money is do panding. You the money. What's up? The money. You be like the money for. Hey! Oh, why now? Which can lose be this? I don't know. Maybe that way would be wrong. Oh, that's not big money. We don't lose them all. It's too good now. Oh, go back now. Go back where? Go back, do it. You don't make the catch us. 20,000 a big money. I beg no go back, go find out. What you want to do now? Oh, yeah, make the go now. So you go back, I beg 20,000. If you wait. Nashi. Why should they work like this? So don't mad. And Steph, Alpha. What's up? And Steph, now we all. Don't turn up Periwinkle. Now your teammate with this. What's up?
She gave me 1 blow, 7 apples.
Hey! Why? Who?
Una mama.
Hey! Hey!
I dey go out, make I go shoot myself.
Hey! No, don't walk straight. No, they go corner, straight. Where mommy got that straight with the collect the money again.
No, they go again. No.
Make we go collect money.
They go again. You won't make beat me like this. No, I know they go abeg. You know, say the work out on.
April Fool.
See your head.
I get the money.
They play with me since.
I get the money. I get the money. I just want to know whether you go fit fight your sister for money.
Wow, go fight you for another money.
You
Give me my sister forever. Massy.
Ntanta crayfish, very winkle one day. You be trouble children.
Okay, madam, I gave you the money now. I've given the money to you. Why are you not stressing me? Why are you stressing me? That is it. That's it. Don't call me again, please. I'm busy. Take care.
Daju.
Pepe, how are you?
I'm fine, no.
Hey, welcome.
So let me come and pay your God's visit.
So to what do I owe this August meeting?
Nothing, no. Nothing serious. Just that saying. There is this small thing I want to discuss with you. Small matter. Love matter.
Love matter. Hey. Have you started falling in love?
Yes, so.
That's nice, so. That's very, very nice. With who?
You.
You say? What did you say?
Daju, with you.
With me?
Daju.
For what, Kwano? How? In what way?
Daju, calm down. Daju, look at me now. I'm sexy, a city babe like me, coming for you. Daju, I'm not like all these local village girls that gives you, I don't know the style they give to you, but me, city babe like me, we give doggy. You get like this.
Come on, bring that thing down also. Bring that thing down also. See the fowls all around. See the way they are shocked with this thing you are saying. Are you hearing? They are all shocked. I want to ask you something. Have you forgotten that I'm dating your best friend?
I beg.
Maybe UD is your best friend.
Are we of the same parents? Are we related? No. We are just friends. And so, say this thing is an open field. You know how footballers they play against this person, this person. So anyone that wins, no, carry me on.
My dear, in this my own open field, you cannot score.
This one, you never test out.
There is VAR here, you cannot score. VAR will not allow you to score here. This your own is so open, anybody can score.
You have not tried.
That's why you are opening it up and down for people.
Ndajo, this is city one. With enough yogurt.
Come on, don't touch me. Can you just get out from there?
Oh, please, just hold it right there. What's the meaning of this? Oh, because I belittle myself to your standard, to your league? Ndajo, please. I'm too big for this now.
See who
for you.
See who came to toast man.
Perpetua. A city baby like me. See, if you want to talk to a lady, just add some respect.
Okay. So this is the character you want to use and win a man's heart. No, this is the character you want to use and win my heart. This is the character you want to use and lure a man into your...
It's not possible.
Don't worry.
See, ladies.
My dear, live respectfully. Leave this place respectfully.
You will come for me.
I will come for you.
You have not tried this one. This yogurt. If you try it.
Nemu, buru yogurt to Gisheba. One yogurt. Can you please carry your yogurt and leave this place?
Daju, I promise you must surely come for this.
I'm not a baby. I don't lick yogurt.
You will come for me.
Get her from here. Shebia,
it's okay. I'm leaving. I'm leaving.
I know where to report
Daju.
you. Get her from here.
It's all right.
UD will come
for you.
You will look for me. I know where to report you. Well, see, she doesn't even have the character to even toast a man. See the kind of character you want to use to toast me. You are shouting at me and you want me.
Don't force the love. Maka ite love. Waloko si adio. Don't force the love. Don't force this love. Don't force love. Waloko si adio.
Bye.
Don't force the love.
Bye.
You did.
Come and sit. Yeah.
Let me.
Yeah, no. Hear them. Hear them. What is it?
You used to want to go and not see you.
You them. Why is your face like this?
Not be you live in my house. Since you live in my house, I never use this my eyes, set my eyes on you. My children, you just see, since my children carry the money run, I never see you. I can't wonder whether Steph a big bomb don't use her juju hold you.
Steph a big again. Use which juju hold me. Don't you know me again?
Not be you use your ordinary hand the way pick the juju.
How you know now? You could come on you. They don't use hand catch breeze. So nobody, all of them, no matter the kind of juju Steph want to use on me, I will jump and pass.
So why have I never seen you since?
Calm down, my love. Is that why you are angry? See, let me tell you, more agents have entered the battle. You see that battle of winning my heart? More agents, more forces have entered the battle.
How you mean?
That's what you're supposed to ask me. See, let me tell you, if I tell you the next person that has joined this battle, you will not believe it.
Who be that?
If I tell you, you will not believe it.
Who be that?
You know your best friend, Perpetua?
Narai.
You say Narai? Narai. Okay, you will know. Perpetua said she wants me. That she wants to have me. She wants to be with me. She needs me. She wants to enjoy me. If not for the... Okay, let me tell you. That day I brought her 20,000. Immediately I came back here. Perpetua now. Have you started falling in love?
Yes, so.
That's nice, so. That's very, very nice. With who?
You.
You say? What did you say?
Dajo, with you.
With me?
Dajo.
For what, Kwano? How? In what way?
Dajo, calm down. Dajo, look at me now. I'm sexy. A city babe like me, coming for you. Dajo, I'm not like all these local village girls that gives you, I don't know the style they give to you. But me, city babe like me, we give doggy. Make it like this.
Come on, bring that thing down also. Bring that thing down also. See the fowls all around. See the way they are shocked with this thing you are saying. Are you hearing? They are all shocked.
Dajo.
They are not cool.
Chimo!
That was it, though.
My friend Perpetua.
See you. My own friend Perpetua. Let me tell you, if not that I love you, if not for the love I have for you, I would have followed Yakata. I would just, I don't have small thing, Yakata.
Stand up.
Because I love you, I just said, let me come quickly. I said, no weapon fashion against our love.
Just close your mouth. Dajo, you know what thing will happen now? It be like say you go packing your things, come my house.
Is it?
You go packing your things, come my house.
Was that what?
Which we fit run away from all these witches and wizards when they are around?
I suggested this thing for you before, but you said one or two.
Now because of my children, but as it is now, you go pack your things, come live with me. We will come become a husband and a wife.
First of all, I need to marry you. You know, your husband have paid before. So what I will do now, just carry one bottle of Shinap and go to your people and tell them that I want to continue from where your husband stopped. It's not like I will start afresh.
You will not pay for another blind class.
Pay what? I'll just continue from where the guy stopped.
You give me your see, so he go do one fast so that you will be your husband and wife.
Sharp.
This
place is hot. It will give me headache.
One teacher, lele, Dejo, one teacher.
My husband. Now where everything done settle. Now they go my house.
These are the remaining things. You see these ones here. The people that will pack in here, they bought it off.
Okay.
So the landlord will give them key. They will pack it. Hey, baby, carry me the girl. I say carry me the girl, my wife for her. Carry me the girl, my house. Carry me the girl, carry me the girl, my wife for her. Carry me the girl, my house. Carry me the girl. I say carry me the girl, my wife for her. Enter. I can carry you below.
Sure. Wait.
Don't worry. you shaking?
Wait now.
Why are you shaking?
Make I enter where now?
One teacher, lele. Dejo, one teacher. One teacher, lele. Dejo, one teacher. Give me your love, oh, baby ma. Dejo, one teacher. Yet no more love, you can bolo never see you. Walking outside, lele. Yet no more love, you can bolo never see you. Walking outside, lele. Give me your love, oh, Dejo. Walking outside, lele. Who did man not go school at all? But her love for Dejo. Pass school matter. Who did man organize? Walking outside.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Are you looking for someone?
Yes, I'm looking for the owner of the house. I'm Dajo. He's around.
Oh, he's not around. He doesn't live here anymore. And we are the new occupants. As you can see, we are cleaning the house.
I'm sorry. Are you sure?
Yes.
Please don't be offended, eh? Where can I find him?
Actually, we don't have any idea because it was the landlord that brought us to this place.
Okay. Thank you very much. My name is Perpetua. And you?
Esther.
Esther. How about you?
Ngozi. It's my pleasure to meet your friend.
Same here.
Alright, thank you so much. Hope to see you around sometime.
Oh, don't force the love. Maka ije love, ije love. Welo kosi adio. Don't force the love. Don't force this love.
I have to carry it inside.
Only me?
Please carry it inside. Let me rest here. Hey, it's not easy.
Good afternoon, my sister.
Good afternoon. Are you looking for someone?
You don't remember me? Perpetua, the lady that came the other day to look for the former occupants of this house.
Oh, I remember. You came back?
Yes, I came back. I came to ask if you have had any news of where he has moved into. Good afternoon, my sister.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine.
Do you remember her?
Yes, I recognize her. This one you came back today again. Hope all is well.
All is well. Just that I actually came to know if Dajo is back or you have any information of where he has moved into. Please, if you have any information, you can give me.
But we were very clear with the answers the other day now. We told he no longer lives here. No, he does not here anymore.
Is there any how you can get any information of where he has moved into?
Okay, but I think the best person to answer that question should be the landlord or if you know any of his friends.
Okay. Thank you so much.
All right.
I really appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Bye. In case if you find any information, just keep the information out. I might come back.
No problem.
Thank you. Don't forget to. It's very important. Thank you.
To this one. She's always coming here to look for the man. I wonder.
I think he's owing her something.
Abi? Maybe the man did that promise and fail, or promised her and failed her, or something like that. You know, men promises and fail. The way she's looking for the man.
They are getting married though. And they're staying together.
They are staying together.
Uh-huh.
Hey! You see how one man's thing
becomes another person's own. Just because of that. So these children now belong to Joe the teacher.
How do you want it? Were you planning to go for Uduma?
Don't fear again. May our forefathers forbid. How can I get interested to the food another man has just started with? Why will I get interested?
Anyway, I foresee. I said, let me just...
Don't say that again.
I've done it again. Jesus here. In your special way, what was impossible, you make possible. Jesus here. Oh, Jesus here. You have done it again. Jesus here. In your special way, what was impossible, you make possible. Jesus, yeah. Jesus, yeah. You have done it again. In your special way, what was impossible, you made possible. Jesus, yeah. Whoa. Gini na-agbagharị. Gini na-atọ ọnụ.
Ndụ gị.
Ay! Hey!
Ndụ gị.
Hey! Hey! What is that? What thing be this?
Jesus, yeah. You did it again. Idiot. That's your Pepe. Where our catapult? Where you keep am? Hold on, in case if you come out, you no go fit do anything. Just drag him. Make it to say something. Yeah. Come out! Under arrest! Come out! Come out!
Wait. Don't come, Premingo.
Drag it!
What do you want to put for my food?
I didn't know Pepe.
I didn't know what to.
Pepe.
You both are dead today.
Oh yeah?
You both are dead.
Do anything, I will shoot you! 1, 2, ready, go! Shoot!
Ay! These guys have dealt with me, oh, Chineke. Ay! I've been poo-pooing since. I don't tire. Ay! Chineke. Waiting these devils, waiting I do these devils for this life. Ay! And I've been waiting for them, Yudi, to come back, even if na small thing, make she give me, make I take calm this thing down.
What happened?
That Jody,
They run go inside like that. I mean, get plan. Me, I go sit down here wait for him. Ndajo, what happened? What be that? Use paper now. Use paper. Why use leave? Come now, what happened? What happened? dey wait for you. Hey, this one too much.
You dear.
Wetin happen?
I don't die you. I don't die.
Wetin happen to you?
You know, since that time when you tell me say if I'm hungry, I should talk to the girls, I should tell them to give me something to eat.
I tell them make them give you food.
Yeah, so that's why I became hungry. And I said, please, can I have something to eat? The two girls, they come rush inside. Come go get me something. And after I chop that thing, they said they put a margino pepper. You know those your children. They go pack ajino pepper fully inside.
Ajino pepper?
Now everything they say they put, I don't die. Since that time, that's why they put boop up and down. Hey, now I can't say make I.
Why you dey mess like
this?
You
dey feel am?
Your mess dey smell.
You dey feel am?
You dey smell.
Ajino pepper. Ajino pepper. What do you want to put for my food?
Ajino pepper.
Ajino what? You both are dead today.
Oh yeah.
You both are dead.
No, shoot you. 1, 2, let's go. Shoot.
So I run back again. Again and again. I don't even throw away the food, throw away the remaining one.
Where these girls come dey?
My dear, I dey wait for you. I can't dey wait for you. Say even if na medicine, make you give me, make I drink, take calm this thing down.
Where they come dey? Where the girls then dey?
Gas go to the kitchen.
No be gas, the girls.
Gear.
Yeah.
Gear, the one where they take the make motor go.
Where they come dey? Now they talk serious thing. They make them to be because na laughter.
Is it the girls?
Yeah?
The girls.
The girls.
Don't be the girls how they talk. Nothing concern me and the girls. No, they see me and say them more.
Talk now. Now where the girls them dey now?
The girls don't go. You don't know your children. Play winkle and then turn. But let's I not use this I see them. Well, let's me I not use this I see them again.
Come on,
your mouth there.
Carry them, they go. Hey, where this? Joe. Wait now, wait for me.
Our in-law. We are here because of our sister Uduma and the other girl, the so-called Perpetua. The other day we met them fighting on the road because of you.
My in-law. My wife here told me about this thing. And I have decided to deal with that lady. I will deal with her because this is not right at all. I will so deal with her for poking her fingers on my wife's nose. What sort of nonsense is that?
But our in-law, if I may ask, are you sure you don't have anything with that lady? Because she was so confident when she was laying this claim over you.
My in-law, how can you ask me such questions? This is the only woman I know. I don't know any other woman apart from this one. And as you can see, we are already living together as husband and wife. So why would I leave her and go after another woman?
Okay, Okoniwo. Why was she bold in her claim over you?
My in-law, in this aspect, I want to explain something. Let me tell you how all this started. See, on that fateful day, I was just seated in my house when she came to me. And have you started falling in love?
Yes, so.
That's nice, so. That's very, very nice. With who?
You.
You say? What did you say?
Dajo, with you.
With me?
Dajo.
For what, Kwano? How? In what way?
Dajo, calm down. Dajo, look at me now. I'm sexy, a city babe like me, coming for you. Dajo, I'm not like all these local village girls that gives you, I don't know the style they give to you, but me, city babe like me, we give doggy. You make it like this.
Come on, bring that thing down also. Bring that thing down also. See fowls all around. See the way they are shocked with this thing you are saying. Are you hearing? Kuku, 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 kuku. They are all shocked. I want to ask you something. Have you forgotten that I'm dating your best friend?
I beg.
Maybe UD is your best friend.
Are we of the same parents? Are we related? No. We are just friends. And so, say this thing na open field. You know how footballers they play against this person, this person. So anyone that wins, no, carry me on.
My dear, in this my own open field, you cannot score.
This one, you never test that.
There is VAR here, you cannot score. VAR will not allow you to score here. This your own is so open, anybody can score.
You have not tried
That's
this.
why you are opening it up and down for people.
Ndajo, this is City One. With enough yogurt.
Come on, don't touch me. Can you just get out from there?
Oh, please, just hold it right there. What's the meaning of this? Oh, because I belittle myself to your standard, to your league? Ndajo, please. I'm too big for this now.
See who?
What for you?
See who came to toast man?
Perpetua. A city baby like me. See, if you want to talk to a lady, just add some respect.
Okay. So this is the character you want to use and win a man's heart. No, this is the character you want to use and win my heart. This is the character you want to use and lure a man into your...
It's not possible.
Don't worry.
See, we ladies.
My dear, live respectfully. Leave this place respectfully.
You'll come for me.
I will come for you.
You have not tried this one. This yogurt. If you try it.
Nemu, buru yogurt to Gisheba. One yogurt. Can you please carry your yogurt and leave this place?
Ndajo, I promise you must surely come for this.
I'm not a baby. I don't leave yogurt.
You will come for me.
Get her from here. Shebi,
it's okay. I'm leaving. I'm leaving.
I know where to report
Ndajo.
you. Get her from here.
It's all right.
UD will come for you.
You will look for me.
I know where to report you. So that was how it happened though. And since then she has been troubling me and her up and down.
In that case, we find out that she's the person that's finding problem.
And I will make sure I mess her up. I will so mess her up she will not recognize herself.
You have our support. Mess her up. Treat her however you wishes. Treat her. Treat her fuck up.
Ogo, don't worry. I know who I married. I know my wife. Agwani. Agone. She will so break her into pieces like this.
Let
me bring a cooler for you people.
Let's do.
So Ogum, like men don't listen to this kind of gossip.
But my in-law.
Don't force the love. Maka ije love. Waloko si adio. Don't force the love. Don't force this love. Don't force love. Waloko si adio. Don't force the love. Don't force the love. Ije love. Waloko si adio. Everything in this life has its own time. Don't force yourself one more. True love is bigger than what you think. True love is bigger than what you feel. Don't force the love. Ije love, waloko si adio.
Hi, beautiful baby. How are you today?
I'm fine. Where are you going with your cutlass?
I'm going to my farm. You know, I'm a hard-working man.
Sure.
I'm going to check something in my farm.
Nice.
Yeah. Where are you going to?
I'm going to see a friend.
A friend? If not, you are going to see a friend, I would have asked you to escort me to my farm.
As what?
As a friend, of course. Ah, Pepe. So you don't want to accept what I'm asking you? Upset me now.
No, so you know if it happen.
How?
I don't understand. You are never in my league. And nobody, just common farmer like you. Just take a look at me, a dancer like me from head to toe. You want me to roll with you? Ah, come on now, it's not possible. You're too cheap.
Pepe, it's an insult to me. You are insulting me.
I just blessed you. Perpetua just blessed your life.
With insult?
Now you call him insult to me, I call him blessing. If you get sense, you use them.
Come on, get out.
Look at this
Nonsense
wretched
woman.
farmer like you. You know the fear.
Come get out here.
CSB. Rejected ancestor.
Old fool. Because I stop you.
Your ancestors
get out.
reject you. CSB. You don't get respect. You stop Perpetua.
Where are they? Hey! Where are they? Where are they? See, you will never escape from me, oh. Wherever you are, you will never escape from me, oh. And I will not give up until I get justice. If you like, run into an ant hole. You will never escape from me. Nonsense. Wait. I think I will go and confront this woman that took money from me and unleash her evil urges on me. Don't worry.
You be like you don't come out. Aye! Look at your voice now. If you don't hide somewhere now, you will catch us. Auntie, why would they even run safe? Look at what going to do. Would they run? Don't be too easy now. Follow your head. Follow me. Where in there? Ha! Come out, show yourself! Show yourself! You ain't mad! Show yourself! Ha! What did I say again, though? What did I say? Yeah! Hata! Give her one shot!
Now, person when they fear death, now they stand when masquerade they come. I want to say she gets strength. Oh, she they run. Hey, see me, oh. Me when no get husband for this village. Now small boyfriend where I just get. Now person want take her from me. I no go let her happen. I want you to take a pound in her head. Stupid girl. Nonsense.
So this is you, evil woman. So this is you.
Here.
What is here? What do you mean by here? Oh, so you thought you will frame me up with the police and go scot-free, right? Listen to me. I am out from the police custody and I am here to deal with you. Evil woman. What do you mean? What do you mean by who I talk to? Are we three here?
Nami?
I am talking to you.
Oga, I know you. You know me. I know you from anywhere. I family you. I don't know you. Me, I don't know who you are.
Listen to me. If you don't refund me the money I paid for the rent of that evil twins, I will not allow you to leave this place now.
Oga, na mistake you dey mistake. Me, I don't know you from anywhere. Na mistake I dare Guinea. I dare.
Wait, oh, by the way, I should be asking you, whether you still remember the man you went to the police station to lie against.
Oga, wetin be this?
This is a wooden pistol, of course. So why are you asking me this silly question?
You got a school of former. You go school where? Wetin did they use and do?
This pistol is for pounding of things. Wait. Why are you asking me this?
Oga, if you not come off for ya, I go use this pistol. Take pound your head.
Look at this woman. You want to attack me because I am asking you for my money, right?
Hey, stay there now. Come back here and make you like take pound your head.
Where this woman carry her warfare go now? Huh? Which kind of wahala be this? It cannot be said they don't go beat and blue and black because she will not have strength to come back here. What kind of wahala be this one? Or should I even go there and check out for this woman? Let me go. Maybe she will need help. She might need backup. Let me change.
You be trouble children.
Children of India. How are they now?
They can play.
Yeah? Can see. You guys are standing. Mama. This one you're holding your pure water and bread.
And the one who's here first now. You know the man don't get anything to do now. You want to join us?
Thank you. Yeah? Thank you. So where are you girls going?
We don't get direction. We go through and fro like Satan. So anywhere we waka enter, we go there till night go reach. We go meet mommy and her husband for house.
I see. That reminds me, what if I get you mineral? Because you drinking mineral, eating your bread.
Mineral.
I love you to finish now. I know say you like mineral. You want mineral? Don't worry. I will buy as many as you want. It's a promise.
Now you be go Auntie Pepe.
Chop knuckle.
I know we'll go now.
Before I buy mineral for you girls, there is something I would like you girls to do for me. I would like us to discuss on something that you will do for me. To your feet. Yes.
It's maybe something. Nah, like meeting or something.
Not really meeting, but somehow like meeting, just discussion. I want to discuss something with you girls so that you can help me and do something. It won't take time.
Because you want to buy us mineral, you want to make us discuss something.
Not because of the mineral now. How much is mineral? You're my girls now, eh?
Yeah, now. Make we go.
You do it for me.
What do you think? I'm gonna go. Me, I want mineral.
Who don't like better? Who like poverty?
The meeting go take time.
I no go take time. Just like 5 minutes. You don't finish. Just then. I go feed you.
No feed them.
Nothing will not go
What happen? I don't define you since where you pursue that woman come out. I can't define you. Make you no be say they don't go enjoy you.
No be small pursue. They pursue. They fight and they fight. They fight all of my enemies.
How?
As I pursue that woman, I say make her rest. I said the less now of my enemies come and now I pursue her.
Nonsense.
So this is you, evil woman. So this is you.
Here.
What is here? What do you mean by here? Oh, so you thought you will frame me up with the police and go scot-free, right? Listen to me. I am out from the police custody and I am here to deal with you. Evil woman. What do you mean? What do you mean by who I talk to? Are we three here?
Nami?
I am talking to you.
Oga, I know you. You know me. I know you from anywhere. I family you. I don't know you. Me, I don't know who you be.
If you don't refund me the money I paid for the rent of that evil twins, I will not allow you to leave this place now.
Okay, na mistake you, the mistake. Me, I don't know you from anywhere. Na mistake, I dare Guinea. I dare.
Wait, oh, by the way, I should be asking you whether you still remember the man you went to the police station to lie against.
Oga, wetin be this?
This is a wooden pistol, of course. So why are you asking me this silly question?
You got a school or former. You go school where? What did they use and do?
This pistol is for pounding of things. Wait. Why are you asking me this?
Oga, if you not come off for ya, I go use this pistol. Take pound your head.
Look at this woman. You want to attack me because I am asking you for my money, right?
Hey, stay there now. Come back here and make you like take pound.
Now so. You try you. Now complete warfare you did today. In fact, you don't try. Well, see what will happen. Let the war end.
Okay.
Let the war end. Because as you are looking at me, I'm very hungry. You know, as I tell you, say the purge. Nothing there my belly again. Make you go look for something for me to chop.
My love. I beg you, make you help me hold this in my weapon for.
No, hold on. No, carry on.
I don't carry.
Hold it. Let's say you don't have. Oh my home. Oh my home. Chai. When shall I see my home? When shall I see my beautiful home? I will never forget my home. Oh 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 my home.
Auntie Pepe. As far as saying that to just help you scatter the matter between my mama and Uncle Joe, it don't work. We'll go do it for you.
Exactly. This one don't suit my belly.
Go do it.
I'm so happy that you do it for me. Very happy.
Yeah. Okay, so I give us the mineral milk. We go now.
Relax now. Let it climb. See. Now pay after service. Then you go get your mineral. Not be paid before.
What's not getting? Wetin you dey talk? I don't understand. Now wetin make you carry us come here, come dey gossip? I don't understand. You never dey serious. She no dey serious.
Wait. You get how this thing dey work. Now when you do work for person, the person will pay. Not when the person work. Okay. I will do it. I will give you girl something. I will give you some money for the mineral. Then after the work, I will pay you the remaining balance.
Our work money don't increase. You guys pay. And you go pay everything complete before we go work for you. I know they're going to.
But it's not done like that. Now when you don't do work, you go get your money.
You ready? They go.
What? Are you
help me come down.
If I slap you,
help you. I am my sister.
Says the big ancestors.
Bye.
Don't worry. I know what I go do now. Stupid girls. What you won't collect Joseph from me. My mama, you there her plan no get value work. This village, hey, the kingdom of God suffered violence. I go take am by force.
What teacher lele?
Oh my home. 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 Chai, when shall I see my home? When shall I see my home? When shall I see my beautiful home? I will never forget my home. Oh my home. Oh my home. Oh my home. Oh my home. Oh, when shall I see my home? When shall I see my home? When shall I see my beautiful home? I will never forget my oh my home. Oh my home. Oh my home. Oh my home.
Dajo, you sweet to me, eh? You sabi sweet to me.
You're a woman in battle. You're a woman in battle. I say, oh my home. 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 Chai.
Take. All soldiers retreat and surrender. We are done with the battle. Let's return to camp without casualties. Please go inside and get me something. I'm very hungry. Go
Let
and
me
check
go and
something.
bring the food
I'm hungry.
that I prepare.
Go and get it. Sharp.
I dey come.
Warm it small. I don't want to eat it cold. Hey! My belly, oh.
This rat, they enter this house.
Which rat?
The pot, they empty.
Here! Oh, Chineke.
Food where I cook, where I say I go keep them for us, and they don't finish them.
Those your 2 rats where you call picking. Where you call children. Maybe they don't finish the food now where you arrange for person now.
Oh, Shimo, which kind of problem with this one?
Wait, Yudi, I want to ask you something, sir. That your husband of blessed memory. You sure say not be witches and wizards have been a spirit input for your belly where you born like this?
These children don't pass spirits. Because they say if Pikin when they won't allow their mama sleep, he himself no go sleep. If they not kill me, I go kill them. But to make I go bring blood, no go take chop.
You better kill them, because as I they say them, this ones they must kill you if you know they fast.
One teacher lele, dejo one teacher lele.
What is holding this woman now? Huh? I mean, she don't go start another warfare or what? What is this kind of thing now? Somebody that just left here now to go and bring bread and tea. Can't hunger that is worrying somebody here. Yudi! I need to bring bread. You want to kill yourself? Yeah. What is this? What type of thing? Yudi!
Make you no break
Yudi!
don't fall in love with Yudi, your love will not be for here.
Yudi! Where is she? Yudi! Where is she? Which kind of prank is this one? Oh, this woman they joke on top joke. She just the crack joke on top joke. With my belly, with this kind of hunger where they worry me now. You they use me do prank. Yudi! Yudi! She go. Yudi!
See, after everything, you are going to pay me the money you took from me. You are even paying me more for what you and your useless 2 devils did to me. You never see anything.
Ogana kidnap you, kidnap me, so. Yeah?
No, na woman nap. You know, Abi? Na woman napping with this one.
Oga, I go okay. I go pay you your money, but to make you allow me, make I go bring get the money. I not get my phone here to do transfer, so make I go bring the money for you.
See what you will do. You have to call that person or the people that will pay that money into my account. If not, we will kill you here.
Hey, Oga,
what I say?
Oga, no say you dey serious like this, so okay, I go pay you your money, but the thing now be say I don't use some of the money take buy goods for my shop.
Madam, that's small thing now. Use our Konuche. Sell everything for the shop. Sell the shop join. Some of your slippers and your clothes. Return the money. Join the stressors.
And for your own information, you are not giving me 130,000 naira. I will not going to collect it. You are paying me 1 million naira. For your own information.
1 million.
Hey. Bello, she don't faint.
This serious.
Faint, okay. Forget this woman. You don't know her. She's only joking. She not. Wait. You must give me that money before. Hey. That one is your business. No concern me. You know what? Go and get water. Let's divide now. As for that money, she will pay it, or she will give us the names of the people that will pay that money into my account. Get the water now.
Yeah, hey, listen to me. Listen to me, both of you. Listen to me. Listen to me. Listen to me. I don't want to hear on a voice. I don't want to hear on a voice this place now. You people are the cause of... Come on, stay here. You are the cause of this thing. Eh? If you were responsible enough as good kids, well-trained kids, this thing wouldn't have happened. Your mama for carry on go even give person where on go serve. Where on not serve where? See the problem where on don't put person now. Maybe now this man don't kidnap your mother now. Who knows?
Kidnap?
Woman nap. Woman nap.
No, they don't kidnap my mama anything.
Make her find my wife. Make una time. Make sure I find my wife. I've told both of you now.
Why the cry? Why would they cry for that? Except they affect your ear. You know they up.
I know they up. Make I hear your voice again here now. Make I just who they call me. Make I hear your voice now. Go see Shaggy. They carry strange number. Call me.
Answer that first now. You know that mommy don't collect person phone to call you.
Let me pick this call first. Hello? Hello? Come on, shut up there. What is wrong with you? Make I not hear your voice here again. Hello? You say? Wait, okay, so now you be the kidnapper where carry my wife. No, now you be the kidnapper where carry my wife. You say what? 1 million what? Which currency be that? Naira self this, I go give you the 1 million. 1 million naira. You know they're serious. No, you don't know who they tell that one. For what in Kwanu? No, for what Kwanu? Okay, I'm not serious. When I'm serious, hello? Hello? Hey, this man don't cut. Now person will carry your mama. He said if you don't pay 1 million naira, that they will not free her.
Oh God.
If he does say this thing that's serious, waiting I need na my wife, because na two of una cause this nonsense.
We need our mommy now.
You need your mommy now. I need my wife, all this nonsense you are doing, I'm not seeing it. I need my wife.
You know what you go do? Call the number back. Tell them, ask them where we will bring the money.
Call which number back?
Call the number back. Me ask them where we go carry the money. Come give her now. The number will call you.
So who go bring the money? Where I go give her?
Do what I tell you. Then leave the rest for me and my sister.
Once you don't promise kidnapper, you don't promise Amo. No going back. Once I said they
bring. So they talk. Time they go for they go kill mommy for there.
Hello?
See, if you like, buy here. That one doesn't concern me. It is not my business. I am not even interested. What concerns me is that you are paying that money into my account. I thank God that your people are responding now.
Okay, I beg, no vex, eh? I beg.
Shut up.
I'm not go.
Shut up. Hello? Are you ready to pay the money? See, I will send you the place where we are. Just come with the money. But don't involve the police. You hear me? Don't involve the police. If not, just thank God that your people are ready to pay the 1 million naira. If not,
I don't do what you say make I do. So what's the next level? What do you want us to do right now?
No, ask us for what we want to do. Me and my sister will get plan for what we go do. So we go do our house. Follow me.
Madam, come. Don't be by follow me. What be the plan? I want to know the plan.
God, go find out. You go to bring out your wife from kidnapper's hand. Just leave me and my sister alone.
Now this thing they talk. I
better shift. Make we go.
My own be say I no want begin find mother and children. No. I no want begin find mother and children. These children be like say una no know wetin be kidnapper. Na think say na joke, kidnapper na joke. Go there, shebi you think say kidnapper na play. Go there. Once they reach there now, the money go increase to 3 million.
Madam, you don't need to worry yourself. Just very soon, you'll be a free woman. And you will go back to your people.
My God will judge you. You see this kidnap where you kidnap me. Now my God will judge you.
I know they're wicked though. I'm not a wicked man at all. Now my money I am looking for. Once I get that money, yes, you'll be free.
I beg him, what can I come out to this thing? What can I put for my eye? My eye, they be me.
Hey, remove the covering for her eyes.
Take a easy now. You don't do your worst, Nabi. You don't do your worst. You know the shame. Other people they kidnap and a woman nap you did.
Yeah, Fatima. See as you fat like bulum. If I use this thing, boy, you slap. You go shut up.
Premature catfish. Premature catfish. You know the shame, Abi. Now woman, now 3 of una carry una self can't kidnap only one woman. Eh? One woman. Why you not look for your man and make you go kidnap? Animal. Okay, remove this thing from my hand and make I they go where they go.
Where's my money?
Which money?
If I get my money today, you'll be free. Huh? Wait. What happened?
You ask me.
What happened?
Hey! Come here. Hey, Perry. Don't. How not take from me here? Carry my slippers. Carry my slippers. Carry my slippers.
Which kind problem be this one? Eh? Which kind of kokrigada? Which kind of kokrigada be this one? Eh? Since we start this relationship, and so problem, so wahala. If you know be people who want to spoil this good relationship where they have now, it go be her children. Which kind of thing be this? If I say make I carry these children now, go sell them off now, or even rent them out now, collect money, go build my girl now, it go be like say I'm a very wicked person. That one no go work. Can't work because now the one where she tried to rent them out now. Now I cause this one now. Now I made this man now kidnap her. That one. Which kind of thing be this? Which kind of wickedness be this? I for just cool down, JJ, just relax, enjoy my life with Steph Ukutimba. Just there with her without stress. See where I don't land now. See where relationship don't land me. It's like it's time I will leave this relationship. Make I can't wait to marry him. I will try to stay away from. Yudi. How are you? How you take come out?
My children.
See, I was hustling safe. I say make I do 1 or 2, raise 1 million, take on bail you. Eh? Sorry, eh? How will I take release them?
I don't release and come out.
How you take release them? When I paid 1 million?
We paid 1 million with our catapult.
With your catapult? How? You use catapult to release person where they kidnap. Wait, that one story for another day. Baby, come inside.
Thank you, my pickings.
Look on that side. I want to check something.
Nana, you want to check something? Now, what you release them?
That side first, they come. Baby, go up. That didn't touch me. That didn't touch me. That didn't touch me. That didn't touch me. Two of you, come on that side.
Hey! Go someone now.
Yeah, trying now.
It is entering.
Yeah, not giving me free. Yeah.
Because you be my husband.
You're forcing me to get. You do. Now that we have defeated all your enemies.
Our enemies.
Oh, our enemies. Now that we have defeated all our enemies, I think it's time we start preparing on how to make children.
You know that I was thinking in that direction. I'm waiting for that time for to come.
It don't come already now. What are we waiting for? Let's start making children.
Let's go now. Let us go and do this child bearing. Let's
go and go do it.
Wicked friend. Wicked friend. You think you have won this battle, Abby? This is just the beginning. You see this man? You can never win him. This man here is for me. Me alone. You can never have him.
Wait, what did you just say? Come on, shut up that nonsense quota, that latrine you come out here. Who is your man? Me, your man.
You are my man.
You are not all right.
See, I must surely take what rightfully belongs to me. I will show you, say, I be city girl. You still be local champion whenever back. I go finish your entire family. You see this one here?
She can't take it. She cannot take it.
Gawada side, just naga.
Prophetess Guinea. Prophetess Pepe.
Come make we go make the babies.
Baby! Because we are
Ntanta crayfish, periwinkle one day. You be trouble children. You know sabi buku, but you sabi wahala. Now which kind children?
Okay. What's up? I just did think something. Now which one you want me to perform again? Everything I perform, will be to perform. The thing to say, she will not feel be like other children will be good girls. Narina, which kind of talk come be this one now? Why you going to talk that kind of thing? Answer me first, madam. Answer me, I know why they ask. She will not feel be good girls like other children. We feel be. I even get them, I even say for my dream. Oh, go meet mommy, come the beg mommy. We even call that teacher Joe Daddy. Me, I get that kind of dream, but not be like exact dream. I get that it relates to what you talk. So like this thing will happen now. You know, say if it be like saying I God they talk to us. You know, Abby. Because look am now, every day, no they get peace stay for house. No they even ever think something better. Every day, I come off house, they waka up and down, no get destination. No get direct everywhere now. Go find who know they find us. You know, makes sense now. I be good. You know good though. No good. You think we say we know what to do. But what they do us, we don't know. We know what to do. Maybe Auntie Pepe be there. What you do? No, me are you there? They ask me. Auntie Pepe, good afternoon. Auntie Pepe. You know that you don't go jam that way and step jam before she travel. If it be true. If I tell leave that, leave and. That way they tell me they're important too. So they're important and I want to make me tell you now. As if you say me and you don't they get the same dream now. Let me say a prophet be that too. Prophecy. Be everything they're gonna teach you. Prophecy. You know they ever learn. Now prophecy. Like this now, I'm say we don't become prophets. Because God don't they give us message. We don't become prophet of God. Oh yeah, we'll go back there. You get beg with catapult. Look who come out now.
Hey, Odogu carry Odogu.
I want to
na man you be.
I want
to na man you be.
I want to when we get them. Full package.
No wonder stuff a big bomb but not resist the living.
The man na test and see now. I tell you, say working at all. Now about zam. You feel him?
I feel him.
This one na just spy. Very soon you go see bye. See my baby. Now we don't enjoy this thing now. We don't see if me and you born now. Our children go be
waiting.
Our children go be ja. Sorry, I just dey pity you.
Why to killing me?
You be like who don't know anything. So Alpha, where those your children, those stubborn 2 children, where they?
My husband, he go try to rough my children. You know, say, now my children, and I rough them very well. I know go fit away the children we go to give me. And you go manage to try to rough them. They're very good children.
But very stubborn. Anyway, no problem. We go to try to show them love small. Make we know whether they go come by. That they go do alright.
My rough, yeah, waiting to disturb me.
What be that?
I want to return that money where I collect on top of my children. That's a man. Something they tell me make I give.
No, and a business you do now. I want not be anything. Chop the money.
No. For my peace of mind. I won't give the man the money. I will give him back the money.
No problem. If your mind they pay you 7K return, and a good thing, you go return. But you get such amount, you get them.
Make I go transfer and I come. Make I bring my phone. You go still drink.
No, flies don't touch this one. I no go feed drink now.
So make I go bring another one.
Bring another one. Fresh one, wake up.
You go give me your money.
You know, money again.
You go give me your money. I dey come.
Make a drink and like that. No one.
One teacher, lele, dejo one teacher. One teacher, lele, dejo one teacher. Give me your love, baby man. Dejo one teacher. Get to know my love, you can never see.
I don't like my cake.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
My name is Steph, and I'm looking for one Ndajo that lives here.
Oh, he has moved out, and he moved in with his fiancée.
Okay, thank you very much. I'll go there and meet him now. Thank you.
Bye. Wow, the way women are looking for this same guy.
I'm surprised myself.
This one fine, Sha.
At least this one better pass that other one.
That guy must be a player.
I just tired.
Don't go.
No go, let's walk.
You don't go.
You don't go? Nice one.
30,000.
Confirm. At least the man go now know say you know be bad person after all. Nice one. You go know say you be nice person.
Daddy, good afternoon. Mommy, good afternoon.
From you.
What did I hear you talk now?
Daddy, no greet, I greet now.
Wait, you call me daddy?
Now, what daddy you be now?
Hey, wait, this thing what they happen now for dream, I been for real life.
Now real life be this now, you know they dream.
Hey!
Chai.
What kind of wala pale? Man, don't become pale.
Ntonto crayfish.
Hi, mommy.
We don't forgive her. We don't forgive now. Your daddy be this.
So
we don't forgive her. Oh?
Yes, I don't become your daddy. You can see how peace go take the rain, man.
Yes.
As soon as I don't come on, I hear the dad. My baby, I can't take her.
Daddy!
Too much. Where your sister dey?
She dey wash plate.
If
I drop that, you wash clothes one.
If you wash whose clothes?
No,
start with your. You start with your own. No go for my jean. My jean go break. No go there. You go break your hand.
No worry.
Go carry pot to give am. That's a call me.
130,000 naira? Hey! This woman is not a bad woman after all. Thank you so much for listening to your conscience. I'm so sorry for the pains I made you pass through. Yeah, and I pray you will heal from the pains. But I am not a bad man after all. I will call you to thank you. Yes, I will.
Hey! See, I love my baby. I know you like. Now inside her, I go live and die. She push me, I push her, we fall and rise. Now so we do. Now so we do. I love my baby. I know you like. Now inside her, I go live and die. She push me, I push her, we fall and rise. Now so you do. Now so you do.
I greet you all.
What is it?
I've not come here to fight. I've actually come here to apologize for everything I've caused you guys.
We have come to apologize.
You don't do. We don't forgive you.
And I've also come to invite you guys to my wedding that is coming up very soon.
You the marriage? Congratulations!
Congratulations.
Congratulations!
Thank you.
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you, Sita! Happy birthday to you!
DJ Ntonto, I beg, bring your hand down. She's doing wedding.
Okay,
Not
wedding.
birthday, wedding.
Happy wedding to you!
Yeah.
Happy wedding to you! Happy wedding to you, Sita! Happy wedding to you!
Thank you. And I hope you guys come.
We'll go try. Depending on the mood that time.
Thank you. Bye-bye. I hope to see you guys.
You don't do now, make you they go. You don't do.
Congrats.
Congratulations.
Bye-bye.
I love my girl, I don't go lie. Now inside I go sleep and die. You push me, I push you, we fall and rise. Now inside we go sleep and die. I love my lady, I don't go lie. Now inside I go live and die. You push me, I push you, we fall and rise. Now so you do. Now so you do.
Go and call your sister. Go and call your sister. Go and call her. You will push you, go and buy beer.
No, we should push
Let
it.
them go and buy-
We should go inside.
Let them go and buy beer.
I love my lady, I don't go lie.
Waticha lele, dejo waticha lele, dejo waticha. Give me your love, baby ma. Dejo waticha. Get to know my love, you can bolo never see it. Walking outside, lele. Get to know my love, you can bolo never see it. Walking outside, lele. Give me your love, dejo. Walking outside, lele. Waticha don't fall in love with you deep, my balama. Your love will not be for here. You pass Romeo and Juliet. I love you, you love me too. I touch you, you touch me too. Waticha don't fall in love with you deep, my balama. Your love will not be for here. You pass Romeo and Juliet. Love.